Very good morning, everyone. Today is the 12th of June. Welcome. Hussein, hey, bro. How are you on time today? Bro, believe it or not, man, I woke up very early, bro. I woke up at 4:40 before my alarm. I beat my alarm to it. I don't know. I was too excited to be doing this, I think. So that's why I'm early, man. I was actually waiting for 5:30 to hit because I've been waiting for this since almost 5 o'clock. So half an hour I've been doing a couple of things for, the display on YouTube, as well as I did get a couple of short videos to pin on the comments. So it's easier for people to find the strategy. So I've been working since 5 a.m. Good morning, people. Thank you for joining. And that's the official session start at 5:30. Morning, everyone. Welcome. It is a bright morning. 9 of you already. Come on, let's go. Good morning. Did I update the pips from yesterday? Um, is this all we got yesterday? Let me check. No, that's not the right one. Yeah, that's the pips that we got. So yesterday we got 3225, 3,225 pips. So weak. Yeah, hey, bro. Good morning, man. Abdullah, thank you for joining me, man. Mike, greetings, brother. Great morning. Thank you for joining. You guys are early. Loving it. Mad setup yesterday on the gold. Appreciate it, bro. Means a lot. Um, Again, I can't stress this enough. It is an amazing setup to take, but most of the times it doesn't work out. But when it does, bro, I think Sherry yesterday caught 1:8 with it. I got off with 1:5, following my rules. It is one of the beautiful setups that you can find online. Um, I'm glad most of you guys got that yesterday. Good job, people. Yeah, trader, give entry, bro. Not yet, man. Um, I'll give you the entries once price comes to it. As of now, price is just playing, bro. Greetings, bro. Greetings. Good morning. Thank you for joining. It takes for a guy who has a 25% win rate. I'm still profitable. Take it from a guy who has a 25% win rate. Mike, bro, that's all you need, man. That is all you need. As long as you have higher risk to rewards, even 10% win rate is all you need, right? I'm glad that you agree, bro. So I do have something for new people who join. Let me put that on the chat. So instead of me explaining the same old strategy, we only have two, which is simple strategies, right? I'm just going to pin those two strategies on the comments so that whoever comes in can actually go in and get the quickest explanation for both the strategies so that I don't have to repeat it 1,000 times because most of you people are here, you guys hear us all the time. So I'm going to make this easy on you. Sherry, bro, great morning, man. Thank you for joining, bro. I'm happy yesterday you caught a 1:8 with yesterday's setup, man. Great job, bro. But I'm just curious, man. Why didn't you exit in London Open? What were you looking for? Was there a structure to it? Good morning, Josh. Jay Shub, right? How do I call you, man? Is it Jash or Jay Shub? Jay Shub. Sorry, man. I'm a little bad with names. I hope you don't mind. Yep. So I've pinned the message. Now, anyone who comes in new, you'll be able to find the strategies sitting right there. We made it easier for you guys. Okay. It's okay. You can call me Josh. Josh, thank you, bro. Thank you for joining. Good morning, people. We're seeing decent price movement this morning. And guys, something amazing happened yesterday after hours. We hit 350 subs, which was mind-boggling. We are growing in a rapid pace. Believe it or not, I've already been approached for collaborations, which I found it was very odd. I just have 350 subs, and I don't know, man. I don't know how this game works, but we're growing, people. Thank you. Thanks to you. Thanks to all of you. Because waking up at 5:30 to join me live is not a small feat by any means. So my heartfelt thanks for all of you. Means a lot. Tomorrow I passed my later funded account phase in just 4 trades, but now asked me to pay first because active second phase almost 134. Abdullah, I think you're referring to yesterday. You passed your account, okay? Just 4 trades, but now prop firm asked me to pay first before. Bro, yeah, man. Before activating your second phase. Oh, okay. If you're trading with something like Top Step, first they ask you for a small amount, and then so initially, if you're trading with Top Step, a 50K account, you'll have to pay $49, and then they have an activation fee on top of that once you pass the account. Okay, so once you pass the account, there's something like $129 or $150 that you have to pay to get the actual account. That's how it works. I'm sorry that you didn't know that, man. No, there was a supply right on top, so I was waiting till the market hit that. Sorry, bro. Very smart, man. Very smart. Good play, bro. I got just above 1:5 on that yesterday's trade. I'm glad that you got a 1:8, bro. Good job. I thought they cut their fee through my profits, but they asked for money now. Any suggestions? Bro, you will have to pay. Um, if you have a good strategy that works, don't mind paying that small fee because you're going to reap 10%. I'm sorry, 10 times more than that. Um, just pay it and take it, bro. They'll wait. They'll wait. You'll have a few days to figure it out. But I'd suggest if you pass an account, just pay it and take it because there is a lot more upside to it and very small downside to it. So it is worth it, man. Go for it. This, I'm pretty sure, is consolidation. Uh, we can't do nothing about this, but the looks of this is pretty. Um, I think this is the much better stop and zone. So we are poised for a lovely day, boys and girls. Guys, I figured out a way to make much more content. So yesterday I was sitting just editing my live videos, and out of 50 minutes of live, I already caught three shots. So the live is helping people. Hey Lizzie, welcome, welcome. Thank you for joining. Sai is DMing me saying that he'll be joining the live at 6 a.m. He's very dedicated, bro. He always joins on time, and if he doesn't, he always gives me a heads up. Too much financial issues. I have $130 or amount, something like that, but I never put it on power firms. I put it in broker and control 100% of my money without any rules, but now I'm stuck. Abdullah, bro, yeah, trading your own money is the best thing to do, to be honest. It's always better to trade your own capital. But the only drawback with that is you only get a certain amount of money to trade with. Let's say if you have $1,000, that's the extent that you reach and go. And the profits is the byproduct of the amount that you have in the account, right? So I'd suggest, bro, get that funded account with the money that you have because I think that's a 50K account that you mentioned, right? So having $50,000 in funding and risking 1% of the $50,000 is much better than risking 1% in $1,000, bro. So always have your own capital as well as have funded accounts so that you have a much bigger account size to trade from and your profits will be as big as your account size, right? So I get you, man. It's always good to have, um, you know, your own account, but try having some more funding too, bro. I can't understand what to do. Bro, wait, work hard, get the money, and pay it. That's all you can do, bro. Good morning, bro. Good morning. Thank you for joining. Welcome, welcome. Amal, nice of you to join us, man. Guys, it's not even 6 a.m. We already have 18 people here. Lovely, lovely. And I'm getting to know a lot of you guys better, um, which is making this much more fun because today, boys and girls, to be honest, I woke up before my alarm because I was too excited to do this. Believe it or not, I woke up at 4:45. Can't wait to be doing this. All right, price is getting to the stop and zone. We got to be very careful about 313s because sometimes I do get distracted and miss those entries. All right, people, let's see if we can catch a 1:3 before the world wakes up. That's the dream, isn't it? Missed my TP by 1 pip. Amos, what happened, bro? Is it today or are you talking about yesterday, man? Come on, almost. Good morning, everyone who just joined. Welcome, welcome. We're almost to our stop and zone. Let's see what happens when price gets there. Good morning, Adele. Thank you for joining, man. Right in time. We almost got a setup. Anil, are you here, bro? I didn't hear from you, man. He is a shy fellow. Never disappoints, though. I think I've been having him since the first live session. He's the OG of the stream. Something you sometimes your brain wants to see things that aren't there. So now it's suggesting that it's a stop and zone. This one, nope. I'll have to convince myself not to jump the gun, and the reasoning I have to give properly so that I don't take a lot of fake outs and consolidations and whatnot. This is one of those zones. It's always remember people there has to be definitive moment when it comes to price to understand where stop losses will be lying either on top of this or to the bottom of this. Okay. Um, you need proper displacement for this to happen. Not this does not look like a proper place where people would enter and keep the stop losses, right? There has to be some science to it. We cannot just blindly get into any zone that, forms. Abdullah, in stop and strategy apply on all session. So Abdullah is asking if the stop and strategy will work in all the sessions. Bro, it does work in all the session. The short answer is that yeah, it does work in all the sessions, but it works better in Tokyo, especially in gold. So that's the backtest for. I did backtest this for 2 years, all the three sessions. So when I did backtest for all the three sessions, the data showed that it works much better in Tokyo, and that's why I'm applying this in Tokyo in gold, right? The only pair that it worked best was gold. I did apply this in multiple asset classes, forex pairs, commodities, copper, platinum, you name it. I was there applying this. It worked best in gold in Tokyo, and that's why I'm sitting here. Hey, brother, welcome back, man. I should tell you that, bro. Come on. I should welcome you to the stream, bro. Thank you, man. Stream light, appreciate it, bro. Appreciate it. Appreciate the love, my brother. Good morning, by the way. Yeah, we've got 10 likes already. Thanks to you people. And thanks to you, Mitzi. Let's see. We've crossed 355 subs, 10 likes already for the stream. Love this. Love the energy, people. Love it, man. Hope you're having a great morning too. Absolutely, bro. With your messages, man, with your presence, of course I am. And there's 21 other people on the stream. So I'm very happy. I love it when people ask questions. For some reason, I do love teaching, but by no means I would have become a teacher. Don't get me wrong. That wasn't the goal, but I think helping other traders means a lot because when I was doing this 3 years ago, there was no one to do it for me. No streams. I don't think streams were popular back then in YouTube. So me and my best friend, we had to figure it out by ourselves. But now I'm glad to be the one, giving you at least few points that could help you guys potentially. So I'm having fun. Guys, I wish this was tapped. Let's see if this was tapped in spot. Close to, but no. See, almost did it. Sometimes, boys and girls, this does happen. Spot taps a few stop on zones, but the futures doesn't. And people actually trade this, believe it or not. They say it's divergence between the pairs, between a spot chart as well as a future chart. I think CRT traders call it as what do what do they call it? SMT. Yeah, if I'm not wrong, they call it SMT between two pairs. It does happen. Guys, to be honest, the best 313 trades I've ever caught happened between 5:30 to 6:30 max. Trust me, they would give us setup early in the morning and they keep running throughout the session. Guys, I've caught 22, 25, and 16 in that 1 hour time frame. Not that it doesn't work afterwards, but it will be very promising, and I've caught a few of those. And believe it or not, I missed a 313, which happened at 5:31 in the morning. The tap happened at 5:31, and it went to a 1 is to 43 risk to reward. Bro, that was the worst morning of the year because missing a 1 is to 43 and watching it live as it goes to a 1 is to 43 was not fun at all. So have to be very vigilant with regards to 313 people. What's in the agenda for today for you, trade wise? Bro, let's see, bro, these are the two zones I'm waiting for. And I am looking at the 313 setups. If I do get a setup, I'll give a shout out. So for now, we're just waiting until price gets to either this top and zone. So this is what we're waiting for price to do, either get here and then reverse from this zone or keep going, depending on how price reacts, right? Or get to this zone and then react from here, reverse or go with it. So this is what we usually look for. And we don't jump into trades before a setup comes in. So I explained, I answered both of you guys at the same time. Yeah, boys. That's what we're waiting for. I am monitoring the 3 on 3 in the 1 minute. It's on my phone. My tablets, I use it for chat, so appreciate it, bro. Messi says very smart. Thank you, man. Guys, always wait for your setups. Do not jump the guns. Just because price is pushing towards one side, may it be news or anything, if you don't have a plan, just don't jump in for the sake of it. Because I have blown a couple of accounts just by trading on emotion. So try not doing it. It's not fun after the fact. Good morning, people. Thank you for joining. It's almost 6. We have 27 people on the stream. Lovely. Thank you. What is top hand? Good question, bro. If you see on the comments, I do have a pinned comment, bro. You could check out that video for the strategy. But in short, it's just where people put their stop losses below. So below every low and above every high lies stop losses, right? So once price takes that, we're looking for entries. It's as simple as that. But yeah, Mitzi. Mitzi just texted on the trading chat that I'm live. Bro, thanks a lot, man. Guys, this is going above and beyond. I think, yeah, lovely, bro. Much appreciated, my brother. So, AR Trader, bro, you can check those videos out. I do have both the strategies pinned on the comment. Got to let your community know. I totally agree, brother. It should have been my job, but thank you so much for doing it. Appreciate it, my brother. Yeah, so AR Trader, do check those links out, bro. I do have both the strategies pinned to the comment. Check those videos out. I got you, mate. Yeah, I know you do, bro. Thank you, man. Appreciate it. Means a lot, brother. We also have people coming through Instagram now. I just opened it last week, I think. Pretty decent there. We have 40 followers. And Ratish has come from there. I'm not sure if he has joined the stream yet, but what's your IG? Bro, it's the same. Let me put that on the comment. It's under the same name, Life Trade and Adventure. I don't have a personal IG because for the majority of the time, I didn't want to have it because I know people post the things that they want to be, but they actually are not. So a lot of fake things there. So I didn't want to do it, but my brother forced me to do it. Um, so I'm here. So I'm putting the link on the chat, boys. Yeah. So that's my IG. Actually, that's my channel IG. Good morning, people. Thank you for joining. It's early in the morning. We're still waiting for a setup. Thank you for joining. We already have 12 likes on the stream. We are up by 355 subs. Guys, thank you for joining IG, man. I can see it. Dropped you a follow on IG. I saw that, bro. Thanks, man. Welcome to IG. XAU and gold futures moves same way. It looks same. Um, yeah, bro. Very similar. To be honest, very similar. But futures sometimes draws on stop hunts better. Excuse me. The futures chart does taps a few stop hunt zones much better than the spot chart, and hence I use the futures one. It's all backtest, bro. When I backtested this in both futures and spot, I did find a few more beautiful setups in the futures chart, and that's why I'm here. But guys, don't worry. The execution happens in the spot chart. I have to calculate the pips, and my trades sit on the spot chart itself. So If you don't have a futures chart, if you don't have premium, you don't have to worry about it. I just do the market markups and plan the trades here in the futures, but my entries go in the spot. So you don't have to get a premium just to look at, the chart. You can look at it for free from my stream itself. There's just a 4 or 5 seconds delay, so don't worry about it. Amit, where you from? Bro, I'm from Chennai. I'm from South India. Welcome. Where are you from, bro? How calculate volume indicator? Bro, I'm not sure exactly what you're asking about, but if you're asking about volume, we don't trade with volume here. I don't look at volume data. Uh, yeah. Zerk, bro, I am neither, bro. I'm neither bullish or bearish. I am not biased in any way. Usually, I'm not, when I come to the markets, I'm not biased. I only look for zones, the stop and zones, and I wait for price to react from those zones rather than being biased before I get to it. So whatever price tells me, I react to it rather than being biased and getting my ass whooped. So it's fairly straightforward. Mitzi, which lot size would you recommend using? Mitzi, bro, you'll have to understand that it depends on the risk, my brother. Oh my God, I totally forgot to do something today. I don't have my risk calculator in hand. Um, yeah, Bagret, I'm gonna log in with you guys watching. So please close your eyes. What's happening? Is this the poll? I don't care about the poll, bro. What is this? Which two-step 50K model would you prefer? 10% maximum loss, daily loss 5%, target. Of course, I prefer this shit. It's just a poll, people, don't worry. So this is the dashboard, guys. If you haven't seen this, um, the first one I failed miserably. I think this was a while ago. This was from last year, I think. The first phase we did pass, and we are right now in the second phase, 25K, phase two. We're up 1.9%. The target is 5%, so we just need 3 more percent almost. So we're sitting there. But we came for this. We came for Raju Macha location. Okay. My cousin is asking me for something. So this is the risk calculator. Bro, this is how calculating risk works. So you can get any risk calculators online, but I do it with funding pips itself because it's much easier for me. So you select the instrument, you select how much risk you want to do with your account. Usually it's 0.4% risk for me. And then my balance is 25K. Leverage with this account is 1 is to 100. The entry, as of now, you can just keep it at 4, 2, 3, 5, whatever that is. But the only thing you have to change here is the stop loss in pips. So whatever pips you see on your screen that I show you, let's say, for example, if it's 1,000 pips, all you have to do is enter those 1,000 pips here. And once you do that, you'll see the position size. So Mitzi, bro, you will have to calculate your position size, your lot size with regards to your account size and the amount that you're risking. This is how the process works. Select the instrument, the account size, the leverage, and the amount of pips that you're going to risk. And as you can see on the screen, 0.4% is the risk I'm doing. I'm risking $100, so I'll have to be using a lot size of 100. Sorry, zero point 0.1 lot. Okay, that's how that works, man. Um, okay. I'm from Maharashtra, but currently residing in Dubai. Amit, bro, good man. Are you working in Dubai, bro, or have you moved because you're a trader? How understand that zone, bro? It's just lows and highs price made in 5 minutes. Very simple. Do not complicate it. It's just lows and highs price makes. Below these lows, people are keeping their stop losses, and above these highs, people are keeping the stop losses. Okay, simple. Paper account or funded account, bro. That is still um, demo accounts, so that is still the challenge phase. So we're almost very close to passing the challenge itself. Okay, send me some USDT so I continue my journey. Abdullah, bro. All I can send you is love and a little bit of knowledge, but other than that, I'm sorry, man. You'll have to figure this out, my brother. Nidhi, hi, good morning. Good morning, brother. Welcome, welcome. Sahil, good morning, man. Thank you for joining. I have a couple of mil, but I'm very conservative with my capital. So I've been using between 0.01 and 0. Whoa. Mitzi, if you have a couple of mil to trade with, trading with 0.01, bro, is I'm not sure that's. Let me show you, bro. Let me show you what 0.01. Bro, just risking $100, I could get zero point 0.1 lots with a 1:100 leverage. Bro, having a mil to trade with, you'll have to be risking way too much, man. If you guys have $1 million, risk percentage from it, not just a lot size from it. So I would suggest, bro, risk 0.1% of the account size rather than risking 0.01 lots. Without volume indicator, bro, I have no clue how to do that. I don't know how to calculate volume without the volume indicator, brother. I know it's just pennies, but I hate taking losses regardless. Mitzi, it is a good thing that you're doing right now, bro. If you have a big capital and you're very worried about losing, bro, it's a good thing to get used to that fact that you're going to lose with smaller amounts. Okay. So now your brain will get used to it. And when you are trading for a couple of years or more, now your brain will develop calluses. Okay. So once that is in, you won't be worried about losing trades. At that point, you're just happy, you're fine because you'll shrug it off right away. So it's good, bro. For now, risk low. Once you get used to it, once you get used to trading, you can always increase the risk. Yo, that's a good suggestion, man. Find a good fund manager. That's a great suggestion. Give me 1 minute, people. My cousin is texting me for some info. Yeah, so boys and girls, my cousin is getting married next week. Wait, is it this week? Yeah, no, next week. So most probably I won't be live on the 17th, 18th. I'm not sure about the next 2 days, but I'm pretty sure that I won't be live on those 2 days. So apologies in advance. Let me show you. So yeah, I am going to Madurai. It's already been booked on the calendar. So 17th and 18th, I won't be here, but I'm not sure about the 19th. I should be here, but apologies in advance. I won't be trading. I will be off the charts. So you guys will have to excuse me for a couple of days. Congratulations to your cousin. I'll send it through to him, man. Oh, I missed a lot of messages. Hold on. Hitak, hi. Actually, mine second phase 10K account in 6.6% drawdown. Or how to overcome from this and make break even. Guys, if your accounts are in drawdowns, don't worry about it. Let's say if you have 10% that you can go back on, so 10% maximum loss. for zero. So for 5% risk as usual. Don't worry about anything else until you get to 5% in your drawdown risk, your usual amount. But personally, I would suggest you to half the risk below that 5%. Bro, as you're sitting in 6.6%, I'd suggest you to half the risk that you usually take. Do not panic. Keep doing what you're doing. Just keep executing your strategies because at the end of the day, if you have a decent enough win rate with at least a 1 is to 2 or a 1 is to 3 risk to reward, you will make it, bro. So don't worry about it. Do not risk more of the capital because you'll blow it much faster. Okay, guys, our zone has been breached. So before I take more questions, I'm just gonna concentrate here. So for those of you who are new here, this is what we look for. We look for price to get to our zones. Once it does, it's either gonna bounce off or it's gonna continue going towards the trend. So all we're looking for right now is what this candle wants to do. We need a strong closure towards the upside or a strong closure towards the downside. So that decides what direction we are going to trade. And for the stop loss, we're using the candle that took this zone. As you guys can see on the screen, that is the candle we look for stop losses. If you're going for a short, the stop loss goes 100 pips above this candle that took the zone. If you're going for a long, 100 pips below this candle that took the zone. So that's the explanation. And right now I'm going to lock in people. I won't be able to look at the chart. I mean, the chat. So please bear with me. Mitzi, I'll come back to the questions, bro. Let me just lock in. Let me just execute this trade and I'll back to you, man. Hold on. So let's get to spot and calculate our stop loss. All right, scenario number one, if we are looking for a long, this is what it's going to look like. Stop loss 100 pips below this candle, 202.68, right? So 201.68. That'll be the stop loss if we are going for long. Wherever this candle closes will be the amount of pips we need to be calculating, okay? If we are going for short, 100 pips above this candle will be the stop loss. So 214.82, 215.82. God, something like that, okay? So 215.82. There you go. So let's say if the candle closes as this, we still have 2 minutes. So guys, don't jump the gun. I wait for the confirmation. So for this 5-minute candle to close. So let's say this closes as is, we'll be having a stop loss of 1,261 pips. And all I do is I come here, enter 1,251 pips, and I'm risking $100 in the account with a lot size of 0.07 lots. So that's how that works. Let's see, we still have time, people. Please don't jump the gun. And this is the first trade for today. Again, I take 4 trades every day, maximum 2 trades per strategy. This looks like it's going to be a sell, but let's see. We still have 1 more minute, people. Let's be patient. All right, 46 seconds. 1360, 0.07 lots. 22 seconds, people. 10 seconds, boys and girls. I'm in. I'm in sales from here. And as usual, price loves to tease us initially. I'm glad that it's not 6:30 yet. So wait about 1495, 1595. Guys, I made a mistake. At the end, I just got an $84 stop loss. I usually aim for 100, but damn. All right, let's draw this out. Short from here. Stop. Oh, that'll be easier. Hold on. Short from here. Stop loss there. Let me take this off. Aiming for a 1:3. So that's the setup. I'm going to remove this. And I'm going to do this. That's number one. That's number two. Okay, and that's number three. All right, that's the trade, boys and girls. Yeah, I'm sorry. Oh, too many questions. Oh my God. I'm gonna go back to the questions and see what have I missed. 48 people have already joined. Welcome, people. Very good morning. We've got 14 likes for the stream already. Thank you. Appreciate it. And hold on. We're sitting at 360 subs. Lovely to see that. Thank you. Thank you. All right. Let me go back. Good fund manager. When I said Trump Mama said war is closed, then gold fight. Did Trump say the war is closed? I I did not get that message, man. I'm with Vantage ATM. Only put in 100K to start with. Only started learning trading in the past few weeks. Bro, if you're very new to this, bro, you'll have to get used to this because seeing this shouldn't scare you. Even seeing price going to your stop loss shouldn't scare you. That's how long you got to be trading to practice and execute, right? So, all right, I did X. Hitting stop hunt. Yeah, bro, it did. So basically 0.4 to 0.5 is a good, right? Bro, it depends upon your risk, man. Hatak, so 0.4, 0.5, depending upon the account size and the risk, my brother. Hey, Sai, welcome, man. Finally. Thank you for joining, bro. Mitzi, may I ask you your education background? So, great question. I have nothing to do with trading, to be honest, in terms of education. So, I did my UG in electronics, believe it or not. Um, and then I went to Canada for my PG. I did my first PG was telecommunication. That was the first course. And the next one was marketing and finance. That's when I touched about finance. And that's where the interest comes from. Hold on. Let's do that. Oops. So yeah, bro, I have marketing and finance background. I have worked in the finance field. I worked for a fintech firm for a while. So I know how they do it in the big places. So I've seen trades getting executed for upwards of 500 million to almost $1 billion. live. So yeah, man, this is how they work. They wait for their zones. They take their positions from there, and they usually hedge. So they played very safely, if you know what I mean. That's how the big players work, man. I did lock in, brother. So I take my trades in C Trader, brother. That's with funding pips. So they give that platform for you to trade from. So that's C Trader. Bro, Abdullah, I ended up with so the risk was 0.07, but I took a 0.06 because the price dropped and I only have an $84 stop loss. I should be 100, but that's fine. One trade with what you're willing to lose. So with every trade, I'm willing to lose $100 for this strategy. The other strategy I have, I'm willing to lose $50, bro. See Forex price. Oh, holy man, I totally forgot, man. Yeah, bro, I totally forgot. I canceled the scheduled strike and bombing assaults Iran this evening. Nidhi, bro, you're a lifesaver, man. I totally forgot to check the news for this morning. Today's what? The 12th of June, right? Thank God we don't have any news, people. This is something important. If you guys are trading, you'll have to look at news every single day because if you don't look at it, if an high impact news comes when you're inside a trade, if the news goes against your trade, you're going to blow your account because your stop loss will not be filled most of the times since the price is moving very quickly. So I'd recommend look at the news every single day, boys and girls. Yeah, we only have GDP news, and yeah, man, you're right. Trump said he canceled the scheduled bombing for the evening, bro. That's that's the scheduled bombing, bro. But he'll have some unscheduled stuff to be done too. So I don't believe the war is over, people. Silverline Trader says, "Good evening, bro. Good evening for you. I think where you from, brother? If it's good evening, you're from somewhere else from the world. For us here, for me here, I'm from South India, so it's 6:27 in the morning. It's good morning. Good morning, bro. Sumit, nice of you to join, man. Welcome. I am in the trade right now. Yes, I am. My account is on this trade. These are the levels, and you can trade at your own risk. No real photo, don't worry. Absolutely, Sai. You're right, man. Canada, bro. Good, man. We're from Canada, man. Thank you for joining. Mitzi is from UK, bro. Nice, bro. We're in UK. My brother went for his PG to UK, and I went to Canada. So he lived in Swansea. He went to Swansea University. I think that's in Leeds. I'm not sure if it's Swansea or Leeds. So somewhere like Trump is trump card for gold and US oil, bro. I totally agree, man. Whenever he opens his mouth to say something, price reacts drastically. And guys, we have 1 more minute for the 6:30 candle. Usually 6:30 candles bring a lot of volume because it's the first 4 hour candle of the Tokyo session. Let's see today if it's in our favor or against us. But when we get a setup, we execute without thinking about all this. Let's see. Sai says tea with Trump. Yeah, let's have tea with Trump, man. You're from Toronto. Yeah, bro. That's awesome. 6:30 initially has started going against us. It's not 6:30 yet, so don't worry. Bro, we're from Toronto, man. I I lived there for 6 years. North York, Etobicoke, Mississauga, Scarborough, you name it, bro. London originally, and I live in Bath, Swansea in Wales. Okay, bro. I'm not aware of that. That's good, man. So we let this run. We still have, yeah, we'll know. We'll know what happens in the next 10 seconds. We'll know what's going to happen because we have high volume coming in. Let's see, man. That's the volume candle right there. You guys can see the reaction, right? Hopefully, it's in our direction. Let's see, boys and girls. And people remember, it's just the first trade of the day. Let's see. Initially, that's some good volume in. London originally, but I live in Perth. Okay, nice, bro. Dong Mills in Eglinton, bro. Okay, that's towards the north, right? Nice reaction. Come on. Which state am I from? Believe 007, bro. I'm from Tamil Nadu, bro. I'm from Chennai, so I'm from the south. Guys, we've already got 19 likes for the stream. Lovely. We've cost 364 subs. It's amazing to see, man. Let's go. We've seen good reaction towards our side. Let's see. Falls out of North York. Yeah, I thought so. I lived in North York too. I lived in the intersection was damn. It was near the North York station, bro. I don't remember. I only remember one thing. The intersection had a coming to it. Something and coming. It was, it was a hilarious intersection, man. I can't forget that, but I forgot the other intersection name. I did not read the question. I answered India in state. Guys, great reaction towards the downside. That's 6:30 candle for you. This today, I think it's in our direction. Let's see. Let's see what happens. Amal, 1:28 p.m. Eastern Standard Time after Trump message, gold went up. Bro, yeah, man. Every time he messages, bro, it moves crazy. Hey, yo. Yeah, man. Good drop, right? GG reaction. All right, boys and girls. Well, when this is going on, let's look at yesterday's trade. So this is what we took yesterday on the stream. If you guys remember, this was the last trade we took. So this was in the 1 minute. I'm just gonna go over that trade again so that a lot of you people caught this with me. So again, boys, this was the 313 strategy. As you guys can see, 3 candles prior, 1 candle supply, 3 candles after. Price did what we love to see. Came back, tapped our supply, which is this orange thingy right here. Came back to tap the supply and then poof, went on its way. And as you guys can see, we called out both the entries and the stop loss. We ended up with a 1 is to 5.07 for the day. So right there. This is 1 minute before Tokyo closed. So I closed my trade 1 minute before Tokyo closes. And then it did continue upwards to a 1 is to 9, I think. 1 is to 8. Yeah. Sherry said he closed at 1 is to 8. Amazing. He said he was looking for this high or OB, something like that. So good job, people. Congrats for whoever caught this one yesterday. Let's see if we catch this one today. And I think most probably we will. Looks like it. And this is what we want to see from the 6:30 a.m. candle, people. Amazing reaction towards the downside. If we do catch this live, man, that's magical, right? That's a dream, people. Ali joined Discord. Thank you so much for joining. Welcome, welcome. Guys, I do have the Discord link in the description if you want to join. Please go ahead. We already have almost 80 people in Discord. Lovely to see that. Sherry, bro, you are Sherry, bro. I'm sorry, man. I'm just seeing your text from Discord today, bro. Guys, I go to bed way early, around around 9:30, 10. So, my apologies, man. You sent it at 10:03. I didn't see this. Where do you teach your strategy? Bro, hold on. I had my comment pinned. What happened to the pinned comment, man? Won't it stay for the whole stream, boys and girls? I thought if you pin a comment, it'll stay forever until the stream ends, at least. Guys, I did have my comment in the comments, the strategy. If you go up, you could see the strategies there. YouTube, you can find all my Nat, bro. You can find all my strategy videos in YouTube. Doug, thank you so much for subscribing. Really appreciate it. Welcome if you're new here. We already have 369 subs. I'm loving it. Thank you. Nidhi, bro, this is a great trade, bro, with no fear for the first time, no butterflies on my chest after taking a trade. Bro, that's how it should be. Trust me, man. Do not worry about the trades. You should not be having butterflies or fear in your gut, but it will take time, people. You will not have that over time, okay? You'll have to be consistently doing this for a longer period of time. Initially, I was at the edge of my seat. I was pulling my hair out. I was biting my nails. I was doing all that stuff. But once time goes by, once you get used to taking trades one after the other, you'll get used to it, man. So don't worry about it. It's a normal reaction if you're new to trading. Your brain has been wired in such a way that it'll only want you to run from danger. So losing money for your brain is the biggest danger there is in today's age. So that's why, you have all those reactions, right? So boys and girls, it's okay to be scared to take a stop loss, and it's okay to be happy when you take a take profit. Do not mind it much, but try to be mindful of that feeling, and that's how you overcome that over time. Okay, so normal. Ram, bro, I don't have a re-entry for this. If price comes back, you're more than welcome to try, but I don't. I just put my trades on, and that's that. I don't take break evens. I just let them run. I'll let price decide what it wants to do. Either take my take profit or my stop loss for this strategy. So let's see what happens, man. But you're more than welcome to take it only if it goes to the break even point. But right now, I would not recommend for you guys to jump in because it's gone way too far. Your SL will become very big and you're going to lose much more money than you originally planned. Okay. So don't jump in right now. Mike, bro, I'm up 1K. I'm cashing out. Bro, yeah, that's for you to decide, my brother. I'm glad that you're up 1K, man. Lovely. But for me, I'm waiting for 1 is to 3, boys. I'm here to go all the way. It's either my way or the highway. So let's see what happens, boys. But I'm happy for you, bro. Good job, man. It's not easy to execute people. So if you do execute, that's amazing. Doug is asking me to explain Ethereum. Bro, do you want to know what Ethereum is, or do you want me to go through the chart? What is the request, man? Can you be specific? Mitzi is asking, am I not tempted to put my SL to break even? That is a great question, bro. Temptation is one of the biggest enemies that you could have because Mitzi, bro, this is what I think about when I'm in a trade, okay? When it comes to break even and whatnot. So you've already done the hard work. Okay. You've planned the entry, you've planned the stop loss. This is with regards to your strategy. So your strategy, the back testing you've done for a year or so, So everything is done. You've done the most hard part, which is to execute. So you've done that too. So now you've already fixed the risk for being $100. Okay. In your brain, you'll have to think about it as, okay, I'm going to lose $100, and you should be fine with it. And that's when you enter a trade. Okay. So when I'm fine with losing $100, my brain shouldn't be telling me to put my stop loss and break even, because I'm fine with losing that $100 to begin with. Okay. So that's how you ought to think about it, bro. I think about this because most of the time, not most of the time, I've seen a lot of times when price would come back to break even. So this is what, even I have a video on YouTube, you can check it out. This is what price does, man. Price comes back sometimes to your break even, then falls to your take profit, bro. I do not want to see this happening in my live trades. I've seen this multiple times. I've taken profits multiple times like this. Bro, what is the worst the price can do, man? Think about this, Mitzi. What's the worst price can do? It can go back and take your stop loss. That's fine. When it does that, you're only losing $100. But what happens if it comes back to your break even and then falls to your take profit? Bro, you're losing $300. So for me, if you ask me, am I okay with losing 100, or am I okay with losing $300, which is way up here? I'd much prefer losing $100, right? So that's how I think about it, people. That's how you should be thinking about taking trades and break evens. It's what you want to lose. Okay. I hope that answers your question, bro. Bro, why are you telling SL for break even after a trade grows? Nidhi, yeah, man. I won't. I won't say. I won't preach what I don't do myself. So personally, boys and girls, I do not take break evens, but it's definitely up to you, people. You could you could go for break evens if you're okay with it, if it's in your plan. But for me, if you ask me questions, I only go from my knowledge and my strategy and my execution. So as far as I'm concerned, this trade is dead to me. It can either go to $100 minus or $300 plus, for that matter. So that's how I think about it. And taking partials too doesn't sit well with me, because I do have a decent enough win rate, but my win rate will not work. So me having a 1:3 risk to reward and having a 40% win rate, the win rate will only work when I'm getting my complete 1:3s. So if I'm exiting on 1:2, 50% on 1:2 will not work. Since my win rate is low, right? I either take stop losses or take profits. So that's how this works. Yeah, I'm glad that you agree, Mehdi, man. It's either stop loss or take profit. Guys, trust me, it's worth it, because at the end of the day, man, you're making $300 by just risking 100. And guys, remember, we have another strategy where we just risk 50. And yesterday I made close to 300. So that's 5 times the risk, boys. So that's how, guys, I don't ask you to take the strategy and just copy the strategy from me. What I would love for you guys is to understand how I think about trades. The psychology is the 80% to trading, people. If you are very strong with psychology, that's the 80% for trading. The rest of the 20% is just execution and the strategy. So be very strong with your psychology, very rigid with your rules, and that's how you win. Simple. Guys, you'll have to get to a point where seeing the price in the green shouldn't excite you, and seeing the price back in red shouldn't scare you. So when you get to that point, boys and girls, that's when you know that you've made it with your psychology. That's the indication to know that you've made it with your psychology. So keep practicing, you will get there. Trust me. Am I blabbering too much today? Dash, bro, exactly, man. Just like a monk, bro. Don't worry about the outcome, people. It's the monk-like mentality, right? Whatever happens in the world, don't care about it. Just be in the present and be calm. I guess that's the monk mentality. Mitzi says, absolutely not blabbering too much at all. Blabber more. Thank you, bro. That's hilarious, man. That is trading. Well explained, bro. Appreciate it. Nidhi, thank you, man. I'm glad you agree, bro. Guys, that's all there is to it. You can win even with a 40% win rate. That is all you need. That is more than you need, to be honest. Last month, we had a 36% win rate, and we still ended up with 9.5% for the month. I had this somewhere. Where is it? See, this was last month, people. This is May. You can still win. Guys, by no means I am, a seasoned trader or something like that. Guys, I'm like you. I'm still trying to pass my second phase, but I've come a long way to get here mentally. So don't worry about win rates. Don't worry about, stressing for break evens and partials and whatnot. Just figure out what happens up here. Once you do that, I think you can go forward in trading. Okay. Do you trade base news? Nat, are you asking if I trade news, bro? No, I don't trade news, bro. I'm far from it. I run from news because, guys, a news can go both ways. So if you're waiting for a Fed chairman to show up, just him saying good morning or good afternoon will just set the market off in different directions. I am not doing this to fail because when it goes against you, it has the possibility and most probably your account will be blown. That is the worst case scenario for me. I'm not willing to risk that. I don't want to blow my accounts, so I do not trade news. Where are you streaming from? India? William, yeah, bro, I'm streaming from India. I'm from Chennai, southern part of India, bro. So shit, bro. Yeah, that was the entry, bro. I think you're late for the entry. We're already in. Most of the people here on the stream are already sitting in this entry. Please do not enter now because if you do enter now, it will be a huge stop loss. You will take a big SL. Trust me, if it goes back to the stop loss from this point. So do not enter trades mid trade. People, if you've lost this, don't worry. There'll be other entries. There'll be other take profits to trade. Keep following the channel and the stream. You will catch take profits because these are the trades that I take and I catch take profits. If you see on my channel itself, you'll be able to see all my entries, exits, and whatnot. Rabbi, you sound so confident. You'll get it, bro. No worry. Thank you, man. I'm glad that it's coming out as confidence, not as head weight, because there is a big difference to it. I don't want to sound overconfident or a guy with huge ego, but because that's not who I am. This is just my hard work speaking. Because guys, I didn't get here in a month or two. It, this is a journey I've been on since 2017. That's how long it took to get here full time, okay? Since 2017, people, I've been trying to learn trading. 2017, it's almost a decade. I've been trying to learn this and I've been trying to execute this. So this all comes from a point of hard work than just being overconfident or being cocky about it. Okay, don't get me wrong, people. I'm not doing this for the wrong reasons. This is for your benefit from everything that I've learned. This is just my experience. I want you to learn this much faster than the decade. It took almost a decade for me. I want you to learn this in 1 or 2 years, okay? So I hope you guys don't mind. All right. Running from news has been my strategy as well. Sherry, bro. Yeah, I think that's a good strategy, man. You'll have to run from news, man. Re-entry point is 4201.89. If it gets to it, I hope it doesn't. If the trade played out, then I will pass my first phase. Money zone, bro. I hope for your sake this trade plays out, man, because that is something special to pass an account, even a first phase for that matter. You give trades in Telegram. Zappix, no, bro, I don't give out entries anywhere else. It's just live. If anyone wants to follow, they can do it live. But I don't have Telegram channels, WhatsApp, or whatnot. It's just Discord. I do update my entries, exits, and profits in Discord, and I'm pretty active in Discord. If you wanna, talk with me live, you guys can get to Discord. So, which broker are you using for XAUUSD? We in the US are not permitted to trade CFDs. Bro, I would recommend to use prop firms. If you're not sure what prop firms are, they are firms that give you funding. There are multiple firms. I think they are permitted in the US. You'll get a much bigger fund to trade with. So try using prop firms, man. Everyone like this team to say thank you for the huge trade. Mitzi, bro, you're amazing, man. Boys and girls, we've already got 30 likes. Um, really appreciate the people who've already liked. And also appreciate Mitzi for saying that, man. We've got 381 subs already. Our target for today is 400 subs. So let's see if we hit it. Um, Guys, this is the most amount of people we have had in a stream. There's 78 of you people here. Thank you so much for joining. Really appreciate it, man. Means a lot. What's your stream timings? Um, so sorry, I was just reading other comments. So I start trading when Tokyo starts. So 5:30 a.m. IST. You can convert it into your time. I'm here for 3 hours and 15 minutes exactly. So yeah, you can join me in Tokyo. Morning, bro. Raj. Thank you for joining, man. Good morning. I just missed the opportunity. Josh, don't worry, man. If you missed it, it's fine. We'll get other opportunities, boys. Don't worry about it. It's just another trade. Even now, it can go either way. Do not stress about entries, boys and girls. There are 1,000 trades in the market. If you miss an entry, it's not the end of the world. You will have other entries, other trades. You have unlimited days on the year, so don't stress about it. Great idea not to have Telegram. Yeah, bro. A lot of fake people I see are on Telegram. Guys, I have subscribed to people who are very fake because they put entries in Telegram and later they edit the entry so that the trade seems like it went to take profit, man. Yo, that's the worst thing that you can do. Deception, and that's for me is the worst crime there is, bro. Deceiving people to give you money by just editing your trades. Bro, I'm completely against it. I'm very transparent, as you guys can see. All my data is transparent. You see my trades on the screen. I don't care if it goes to take profit or stop loss. Just because you guys are watching, I want to show you behind the screen. So we'll let it run. All right. Your your English is good for an Indian. I don't know to get offended or to, be happy about that compliment. I'll take it as a compliment. Thank you. Um, yeah. So I'm from South India, had good schooling. So my school did a great job with my English basement. So the basics of my English are very strong. And I've lived abroad for half a decade, a little more than half a decade. So hence the good English. Thank you. Any advice to us who just starting? Do focus and study first. Guys, this is my advice to you if you're just starting trading. Please do not risk all your money with your own capital. Take small portions of it and invest in prop firms. Take accounts for $10, $20, 5K accounts and 10K accounts. Try trading them first. Try understand how to put a stop loss, you know, how to enter, how to exit, and all these nuances. Please do not risk your capital. Learn this for 6 to 8 months. Figure out a strategy that works because that's the hard part. And in those 6 to 8 months, you will have a very strong mindset on what's happening with the trades and how to go about your entries and whatnot. And you will not lose a bunch of dollars. Trust me, I've lost a bunch of money. My best friend, we have lost a lot of money trying to understand this. But if I knew, if someone told me take a $10 account to learn all this, I would have done it a long time ago, and I've actually saved a lot of money. So please do not lose your money. Go buy prop firm accounts. These are all demo accounts, but again, it feels like real money. So do that, learn it, apply it, and that's how you learn trading. It will keep one thing in mind. Just keep one thing in mind. It is going to take 3 to 5 years for you to do this full time if you want to do it. You see all the Lamborghinis, all the people on the Instagram and YouTube flashing money from trading, right? It will take 5 years. You'll have to keep that time horizon in mind if you want to do this. So, prop firms, timing, psychology. This is all you need, okay? My God. Good questions, people. Good questions. I'm loving this conversation. All right. You'll be great content creator. Your channel will blow up with help of God. Thank you for sharing. Nat, really appreciate it. Um, Thank you for the compliment, man. And the blessings. Means a lot, my brother. I'm from Saitok, India. Kerala, which prop firm is better, reliable? So, guys, when it comes to prop firm, I'd recommend the top three. So, if you're trading, let's say if you're trading futures, go for Top Step, go for Apex, or go for My Funded Futures. These are the top three firms that you could use. For me, the best thing to use is Top Step because they've been here for 14 years and they're very good at what they do. And when you take 4 or 5 payouts from them, they'll give you a contract to trade with them. So I think that's the best model a prop firm can have because if this wants to work in the long term for a company, they can't just be paying all the good traders out, right? So very good prop firm for futures. But if you're going with CFDs. So if you want CFD prop firms, try funding pips. If you're really good with the trading and if you have the money to do it, go for FTMO. I think that's the best on top, the cream. And then comes funding pips, funded next, and whatnot. Okay. So this is what I would suggest. Go for the best prop firms. Or if you're very new to trading, go with the how do I put this? Go with the smaller prop firm, the newer ones, because they give the funding cheaper. You'll get prop firm accounts for $10, $8, $15, and whatnot. So try that. Hey Ravi, good morning, bro. I'm sorry, man. I'm getting way too many good questions today, so I'm just zoning in on answering those questions. I'm sorry if I couldn't get to your messages earlier on. Morning, bro. Rotim, if you just missed the entry, I'm sorry, man. Please do not enter now. It's gone, bro. In 1 minute, we have a 313 on the entry, which, bro, right now, I'm not worried about that because, guys, we have a trade running and the price has gone far from the entry point, man. Don't worry, bro. I am keeping an eye on the 313 patterns. Don't worry, I will call it out if I see something. Using Telegram for trading is like invading, inviting Trojan horse to your house. Josh, bro, yeah, man, that's hilarious, bro. Yeah, that's not the best thing that you guys can do. I'm funding pips risk calculator. Lot size shows me 2.5 lots on 50 pips to sell on 25K accounts. Why is shows 2.5 lots? Let me see what it shows. I'm sorry, what was the, hold on. 2.5 lots on 50 pip. Bro, it might show because, yeah, man, if you only have a 50 pip, but again, guys, depends on how you calculate the pips. The leverage should be 1 is to 100 people. Bro, if you change your leverage, yeah, if you have 100, 1 is to 100 leverage, it is going to show you something like this. Um, yeah, man, that's how it's going to show. 2.5 is one. Yeah, bro. But again, remember, 50 pips is very marginal. If you have that small a stop loss, guys, remember, This trade alone, I have a buffer of 100 pips. A buffer itself is 100 pips, and this stop loss is 1,300 pips, 1,389 to be exact. You see this red color number right here? 1,389.5. That's the amount of pips. So 50 compared to this is very small. Um, so it will show you 2.5. Can you tell the reason you chose Tokyo session over the two sessions? Bro, I chose Tokyo session because in my back testing over the years, Tokyo works better. It is good for me because I love waking up in the morning. Tokyo starts for me at 5:30 in the morning, which I love doing. It it tells me that I'm doing the most amount of work because I'm waking up early. It goes with discipline, so it keeps me disciplined. It works well for my strategy. We don't have Trump disturbing us during Tokyo, at least not all the time. And we don't have major news coming out. So that's why I trade Tokyo. Mitzi, yeah, man, it's going down, bro. Let's go. Most probably hit take profit, bro. So it'll be a sweet take profit day for everyone on the chat today. Can you able to tell reason to choose? Okay, I did. Still going down. Let's go. Yeah, 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 yeah. You're the only person I want to be following from now on, bro. Means a lot. Thank you. That's the best compliment I could get. We've got 43 likes. Even that works too. And we've got to 391 subs. Guys, we're just 9 away from 400 subs. That tells a lot that you guys like watching the stream. You guys like the entries and whatnot. Thank you. Just for your information, India was ruled by the British for centuries. And there are several British schools in India. Just about $50 million, 50 million Indians speak English with great fluency. Yeah, bro. That is a good thing and a bad thing when it happened. But yeah, man, a lot of people do speak English here. Someone got offended. Please don't get offended. Let's keep it um, funny and sportive here in the chat and the community, guys. It's just fine. Let's not get offended. Yeah, we do have a lot of English speaking people here, and I'm glad that I do speak good English. I'll take that as a compliment. Please don't get offended, people. We're all friends here. We're all like-minded traders here. So let's keep it civil and happy. Ravi, yeah, bro. Man, have you taken any trades today, bro? Ravi. Mitzi, bro. Yo, I'm becoming your fan, man. Mitzi says, yeah, he's brilliant. I joined late, but I'm still entering for scalps and made 270. Thanks. Amazing, bro. Ravi, I'm glad that you made some money today. Mitzi, great work. Thank you, man. And I'm expecting this trade to go to 4102. Bro, you're thinking 4102, man? Bro, that's way down here. So you're thinking almost 1 is to 5? Bro, that's nice. But people, I don't hope, I don't wish. I set my stop losses, take profits, and I'm done with it. So I don't care how long it's going to run or if it's going to take my stop loss and whatnot. If I have a 1 is to 3, I do not look for structures on the left or any other matter. I'm just taking my 1 is to 3 and I'm done for it. I don't mind this strategy going to a 1 is to 10 because I have another strategy that runs for a session and gives me higher risk to reward. So this one is fixed. I just take a 1 is to 3 for the stop and strategy. Guys, brilliant stream, man. We have 83 people watching this, loving this. Thank you for the 100 USD profit. Eden, bro, if you've taken the profit, amazing. I'm happy for you. Congrats, man. Like to see you, like how you see an FP calculator and measure. So you once again show because I'm literally in doubt about lot size that show. Hitak, bro, simple, man. Don't stress this too much, bro. Guys, this is how risk calculation works, okay? So this is funding pips. You can use any other calculator online. Just select your instrument and then your account size, which you can choose from here. The risk for me is 0.4% for any trade that I take with the strategy. So 0.4% risk. You can select that. And the leverage for the account, it differs. So 1 is to 100 is for my account. And instead of, so this is the important part. Again, guys, focus here. So there's two things here. There's price and there is pips, okay? You'll have to choose pips because that's what I do. And you can calculate the pips with TradingView like this. So you take this tool from here. You can find this tool here. So this is price range. This is the tool I use, okay? You select that tool and drag it across your stop loss. This tool will tell you how much exactly right here your stop loss pips is. So right now it's 1,442, okay? What you do is go to funding pips, enter that here in your stop loss, 1,442. So guys, you will have to be selecting pips here. Remember, important, pips. And once you do that, boys and girls, this is the confirmation you're risking 0.4% of the account. That's $100 in stop loss. And you're getting a 0.06 lots. Simple, don't make it complicated. It's very easy. All right. Okay. What next? Bro, I'm short MNQ and MGC both, and overall $1,091 in profit. Ravi, you're breaking it every day, bro. I'm loving it, man. Good for you, bro. Ravi's up $1,091 today. Amazing, bro. I closed most of sorry, I closed most of my lots at 4160. Yeah, bro. This is the plan, man. Close most of your trade here. Let if you'd like, if you think that price is gonna fall, you can let a little bit run. That's up to you. But if you're asking me, I will take 100% of my profit at 1 is to 3. Guys, if your plan is to take 1 is to 3, just execute it. Do not think about anything else. Do not think that price is flying. Let me catch more. If you planned it, just execute it. Where you, where are you now? In Canada? Bro, right now I'm not in Canada. I came back 2.5 years ago. I'm in Chennai right now. I'm in hometown. This is home. I'm back. I'm back where I love. Not that I didn't love Canada, but home and love is where my family is. So I'm happily in Chennai, bro. I'm not even trading gold and trading odd JPY. I'm just watching you for the vibes, lol. Also, I just hit my profit target for phase two. Yo, I love that you love the vibe, man. Positivity is all that we can give to this world, and we can, if we can do it properly, if we can send love, we can. If we can teach people how to trade without fear, that's the goal of this channel and myself. And the goal is not to be fake, be as transparent as possible, because that's what people need. Because we have a lot of fake people around, so that's what I'm trying to do, people. And congrats on passing. What did you pass again? Sorry. Uh, phase two. That's awesome. Congrats, Doug, bro. Congrats on the phase two. Congrats on the account. You're gonna do great things, man. Don't worry. Thank you for the $20 profit. You're welcome. Thank you for joining. Hatak, but it shows on your calculator two lots means 0.2, right? No, 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 no. You're gonna trade as this. Guys, it just shows 0.06. You're only gonna trade, put this in your trades. Do not, it's not gonna mean anything else. It's just plain and simple, man. Do not change it. You're welcome, Ravi. Would you move your SL to profit? No. Casey. No, I don't move my stop loss. It's fixed. It either goes to take. Oh, I'm rolling here. It either goes to a take profit or a stop loss. Nice. Read. What strategy do you use, bro? I use stop hunts. You can check that out in the comments. I have somewhere in the comments, man. I have a video for it. I just, in your words, bro, I just trade liquidity, man. It's as simple as that. I'm sorry, boys and girls. Way too many good questions today, so I'm kind of exhausted. Bro, I don't trade Nasdaq, man. Guys, I only trade gold. I only trade Tokyo because the more you do one thing, you'll get better at it. Okay, this is how life works. The more you keep doing one thing and more you learn, the more you practice, you're gonna get good at it. So I only focus on gold. I only focus on Tokyo session. And once Tokyo is done, I do not watch the charts. I will be making videos, and that's all I do. And I'm watching series. That's something that I love too, and movies for that matter. So trade one session, trade one pair, and trade it well. That's how I live by. You need to pin your strategy video. Yeah, bro, I did. Bro, I did pin my strategy video, man. Trust me. But for some reason, it's not there, bro. I'm gonna do it again. Guys, let's see what happens this time. Why? It was pinned. Bro, I'm not sure if you guys can see this. It still says that it's been pinned, but I cannot see it on the goddamn chat. Come on, YouTube. You gotta do better, man. Raj, I will check the Discord, man. I'm so sorry, bro. I'm way too many good questions today, man. Hold on. What is that? What was I gonna do? Oh, pin. Guys, I'll be going for tea break in a small bit here because I can hear my mom making tea. So that's the video. Okay. And how do I pin this now? Pin message. All right. Yeah, guys, I've pinned it again. I'm not sure why it's moving again. Yeah, see, there is. There it is. It's pinned. Thank you. Hit the like, gents. Appreciate it. Guys, we've already. And people, the scammers have already infiltrated the gang. We already have. Whoever is watching is, we already have someone who's trying to imitate like me, and they're trying to message the people on Discord. I'm going to block that right now, but I will never text you. If you're watching this, I'll never text you for money. Please do not fall for these scams. Raj Devan, bro, thank you so much, man. You've saved a lot of people here. I'm going to kick that person out. I'm going to make sure they're never going to come back. So if you see anyone who's texting you, just DM me. Guys, I don't want anyone to be scammed from my account, from my name. I'll never let that happen. So please do not give your money, man. I'm going to kick that person out right now. I'm gonna make sure that they don't come back. Uh, hold on. First, I have to figure out how the heck to do that. Guys, it's pissing me off so badly right now. Oh, fucking- The audacity for these people to come into my home, man, my people. Not happening, boys. Guys, so many questions. Man, I'm so pissed right now because of this guy, bro. I was in such a good vibe this morning, and I can't figure out how the hell. Yeah, I think I do now. Bro, why can't I find that guy, man? Or girl? Where are you? That's me. Bro, how the F, bro? Bro, I can't find that person, man. Bro, is there a way that you guys can report that person? Because, god damn, I can't find them under the name or the complete list. That's a worrying sign for me. I can just see myself. Fuck's sake. So, so let me ask you. I'm 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 fairly new to Discord, so if they're not a part of the members, can they actually text you guys? I mean, if you guys know about Discord, can you tell me this? I'm so sorry, man. I was so angry and pissed off because that happened. Let me just take some water, man. Raj, bro, block him, report him, do whatever. But please don't, guys, please don't give your money to anyone. It's not me. I'll never ask for your money, man. William says it's possible, bro. Damn. Yeah, guys, Raj just sent me a screenshot. Please report that person. Don't report me. Just please report that person because if you report me, they're gonna close the channel. Make sure that you report the fake guys. All right, I'm just gonna go back and answer the questions. All right, guys, I don't trade Nasdaq. I did the tea break is coming soon. Thank you. All right. You have your Tokyo session, and when do you do? Bro, I for me the Tokyo session starts at 5:30 in the morning. I'm in India, South India, so IST it's 5:30. I'm here until 8:45. So there are other people too. My God, I'm so sorry. There are multiple scammers who are trying to infiltrate my community. Guys, please do not fall for it. It's not me. I'm sitting right here talking to people. I won't be messaging you people. So yeah, so I'm here from 5:30 in the morning, Indian Standard Time. That's when Tokyo starts, and until 8:45. Started YouTube channel. Did you? When did you start a YouTube channel, bro? This was, I think, 3 years ago. I didn't want to show my face initially, so if you go back on the channel, you'll be able to see my the di- the animated version of myself talking. And also, I started with my brother. He's still here. He will be coming into the channel later on. He's still fighting his demons, trying to get a payout like me. So he will join us later, but this was 3 years ago, I think. But I've started it full fledged with my face, with myself, with my personality. I think 3 months ago, not 3 months, 2 months max. Scammers intimidating you is how you know you have grown, bro. Sherry, yeah, man, we are growing, but I don't wanna have my people conned, bro. That's not something that I would love. And 73 of you are already watching this, please don't be scammed. I will never text you. If you text me, um, make sure the Discord says I'm the owner of the Discord because there's the only channel that you use. I use my handle as Life Trade and Adventure. There's no commas to it, there's no hyphen to it. Guys, please don't be scammed. Day live session, time's up. I've said that. Please advise about gold. Yeah, I'm on a shot. I hope it does go. Send the Discord. Discord Mike is in the description, bro. I'll try to send it here. Don't worry. Hold on. Need 20 points for a sweet tea. Yeah, right now it's looking like it wants to go back, but we'll let price do whatever it wants to do. Most of you guys have taken TPs, so Congrats, man. Bro, don't worry. You did your part, so it's fine. Sahel, bro, thank you, man. Yeah, I'm trying to do the best I could. Guys, please don't fall for these guys. New entry in sell. Uh, it might not. It might just fall from here. Guys, this is how price moves. It will give small pullbacks. Do not worry about these pullbacks. Even if price goes back to break even, even if takes the SL, it's just another trade. Do not think about pullbacks because it is the part of price movement. Don't stress yourselves. This is how price moves. All right. South India, which trade, bro? Akea. I'm, I'm surprised that you know that I'm South India without knowing my state. Yeah, you're right. I'm from Tamil Nadu. I'm from Chennai. Can you try to explain what's happening to the chart right now and what is the possible move you can learn so we can learn how you make a decision for your trade? So listen, let me explain. Okay. Good question. So price, as you guys can see, price creates highs and lows. There you go. So when, hold on, let me take this back. I'll have to, let's do that again. Sorry. So when price makes lows and highs, it leaves a lot of stop losses, right? So people will be sitting with their stop losses below this. You call this liquidity. For me, this is stop hunt. I wait for price to get there. As soon as it does, I wait to see how price reacts. In this case, strong downward closing candle. I entered there with the stop loss above the breaking candle. 100 pips buffer on that too. We wait for a sweet 1:3. That is all there is to know about the strategy. You can check out my videos. I have a pinned comment. So that's the last time I'm going to explain this today. You guys can check out the video because a lot of people have been watching me for a week regularly. So I don't want to bore them too. So apologies. Can you re-enter the trade now? Ram, please do not re-enter. This trade is gone, bro. Don't worry about it. You can do it tomorrow. Do you know Telugu, bro? Bro, I can understand a few words, maybe, but I do have Telugu friends, to be honest, but I do not know Telugu, man. Sorry. What time frame do you use, please? James, bro, I use 5 minutes for the strategy. I do have other another strategy which I use 1 minute. Everyone in Chennai knows Telugu. Bro, I doubt that, man. I doubt that heavily. Um, I'm one of those people who doesn't know Telugu. I'm sorry, bro. Thank you. I'm new here. I just subscribe. More subscribe for you, sir. God bless you for sharing. Thank you so much for subscribing. It means a lot to me. Um, if you're new, welcome. We have 90 people. This is the most we have had in a session, people. Thank you so much for your support, man. This means a lot. We're getting scammers on the channel. So that means that we're growing. Means a lot. Do not fall for scammers. That is a big disclaimer. I will not message you by any means. Please take it from me. Do not give your money to anyone else. I won't be asking for your money. Okay? Remember that. And if you're new here, please do join my Discord. The link is in the description. The link is in the description. You're most welcome. We're building a beautiful community there. Boys, we've hit more than 411 subs, man. We're flying. Boys and girls, thank you so much. I think someone did call it out. I did not see it. I was so caught up in that scammer thing. Did someone call out we hit 400? I think someone did. Who was it, man? I'm so sorry that I missed it. Oh, Zuck did call it, bro. Thank you so much. Yeah, boys and girls, we've hit 400. That's some amazing growth in the last 15 days. I'm gonna show this to you, man. Hold on. Let me see where it is. Guys, everything here is transparent. Here's my channel. We're sitting at 413 subs. Thank you to all of you. We're growing like crazy. This is the last 90 days. Guys, that's 787 hours of watch time. We require 3,000 to to monetize as well as 500 subs. We are almost at 500, and we will get to 3,000 subs in next 10 days. I'm sorry, 3,000 watch hours in the next 10 days. Thanks to all of you for the support. I'm glad that you're enjoying the trades and the mindset, because I know spending time with someone online is not an easy thing to do. I respect your time. I'll not waste it. Trust me. Okay, thank you for the congrats, man. Thank you, Ravi. Bro, 1 minute chart, current move up, have 313. Can you tell if it's valid? No, bro, it's not valid. If there is a 313, I will tell you guys. Please, guys, do not jump into 313s, because not all 313 setups are valid. I will call it out for you guys. There is a secret sauce to it. Not everything I could give out for free. And if I do give that out for free, no one will give a rat's behind for it. So there has to be mystery to any person or anything. Here is that mystery. Don't worry, I am watching. Um, I will give you guys an entry if there is one entry on three. Okay. HYD Ekada, bro. Head Ekada means I know where, but I don't know what HYD means. Sorry. Ravi, thank you, man. Thank you for the congrats, man. Appreciate it, bro. You guys made it happen. Thank you for sticking with me. I know a lot of you boys have been here with me for a long time. Ravi, I know, bro. I know Anil. I know Sai. I know a lot of you. I can't name all of you people, but Sherry, from off the top of my head, Vishal. I know a lot of people are still here supporting me. Means a lot, people. If I've missed your name, please don't get offended. There are 82 of you here. Thanks to all of you. Okay, separately. Do not get offended. And thanks to Midzi for today, bro. Yo, you gave me a lot of energy, man, this morning. Yo, 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 listen. I I said that before I saw your message, bro. Trust me, I remembered your name before I saw your message. So I'm not kidding. I did mention your name. Don't worry, man. You guys are great help. Love you all. Um, I am having a lot of fun doing this. It's because of a bunch of you guys who do communicate on the chat, regardless of where the price goes, regardless of the TPs and SLs. You guys are here for me. Much appreciated, people. See, bro, money zone, bro. He's sitting on the live at 2 a.m. That speaks volume. That how much that means a lot to me. If you're sitting and watching me at 2 a.m. in the morning, that means a lot. Thank you. Guys, we're consistently pulling 89 views today. I think it's the most successful view on the channel. It's been 2 weeks of doing this. It has taken a lot of hydration to be doing this, because talking for 3.5 hours, I think 3 hours, 20 minutes straight every day takes a lot. I hope you can understand that. But instead, uh, thank you. Hey, bro. Only patience is here. Thank you, man. Good morning, boys. Thank you for joining. My daily timings is 5:30 in the morning. I should also pin that in the comments, I think. Um, I start when Tokyo starts. I'll be here. You'll see my face. The only time I will not be here is when I'm traveling, which I'll be next week. So, people, I won't be here next week. I am traveling. I won't be trading. So, you guys can take holidays too. Just kidding. If you see the setups, do trade. We've got 68 likes for the stream. Appreciate everyone who's liked. If you do like the stream, you can join the Discord. Let's build a good community. Some love from GMT. A lot of love today, people. Thank you. Guys, how many of you still are sitting here, man, on this trade? How many of you are still waiting for that 1 is to 3 to hit? Let's see how many are actually in this trade, still in it for the 1 is to 3 or the stop loss. Let's see, man. It'll be interesting. Three more subs to the magic number. What magic number is that? 420. Bro, yeah, man. Three more subs to hit 420. For those of you who don't know, 420 is the section for, it's the law section for frauds. That's hilarious, man. Yeah, man, let's hit 420 in the stream right now because 420, it is a magic number. So you don't have to say every 5 minutes. I am, so you don't have to say every 5 minutes. Yeah, bro. Oh, okay. So you guys are calling out. Yeah, bro. Josh, I have to put it on the pin comments again. Yeah, man. Good idea. I'll do that too. Hold on. So Thiru is in. Sherry is also in. Mitzi, awesome, bro. Adil, I'm waiting. Oh, Money Zone is in too. What do you mean something else is in USA? What does that mean in the USA, man? What does 420 mean in the USA? Five of you, as you have mentioned, are in. That's awesome, bro. This is the mindset I want to preach and I want you guys to practice. It either goes to a break, I'm sorry, it either goes to a stop loss or it either goes to a take profit. There's nothing in between. If you want to follow exactly what I'm doing, just get this in your brain. Do not accept mediocre. Do not accept a 1 is to 2 RR, a, a partial. Don't do it. Let's just go all the way, people. Let's have ironclad mindset here. It's either take profit or a stop loss because we have the patience to do it long term. We will do this. We will be successful. Trust me. So huge respect for that. My best friend is saying 418 subs. He's very happy about it. So am I. We are celebrating. That's amazing. We celebrate small things here. That's how you will get to big places. So I'm just very happy, people. I'm happy that you guys are finding me in YouTube. I know it's not easy to do, and I'm happy that you're staying to watch. All right, all right, all right. Jokes apart, you said one very nice thing. We do need a good trading community. Absolutely, brother. That's all that matters. A good community, strong mindset, positive environment. No scammers, please. Which community are you reading on stream? I'm talking about the Discord I'm building. We have almost 90 people there on Discord. I think above 80. I'm pretty sure. So smoke weed. I'm sorry, boys and girls. I don't smoke or drink, so that's not something I would recommend doing. But if that's what gives you some happiness, by any means, do it. Oh my God, not recommended though. Oh, you said 420 equals smoking weed. I'm so sorry. I didn't. God, I didn't know that's what it meant. I thought you were suggesting people to smoke weed. That's hilarious. Apologies for the mistake. TPRSL, this is the way. Yes, bro, inspiring. Good morning, Ram. Good morning. Devraj, thank you for joining Discord. A lot of people are joining. Good morning. Most 7 likes to go crazy number. Yeah, we were already at 71 likes. Love it. Know what it is. Oh, he knows what it is. This is a good community, bro. Sai, I'm glad it is a good community, man. Um, Trust me, if I catch someone trying to scam my people in my community, I will kick them out. I will block them. If I catch someone who's negative in the community, who's spreading lies and whatnot, I will kick them out. We will create a positive, growing community. Traders like me who are trying to make it in life, that is what the community is about. If you have some other mindset, please stay away. If I get people, someone like that in the community, please don't get me wrong. I will kick you out without a second thought. We want to create something very positive, like-minded, not negative, not lies. And if you have that in the brain, please take it off. I will kick you out. So that's a big disclaimer for all of you who want to scam my people. Not happening under my watch. Okay, bro. Tell me in there is probability I'll break the resistance of 15 minutes and go home. BTC, bro. I do not watch BTC. I don't know what's gonna happen with BTC, bro, because now it has been taken over by corporations, bro. They're controlling it. They have a lot of money invested in it. And when they trade BTC, if they're pushing in, let's say $1 billion, it's going to move. When they're taking out $1 billion, it's going to move. So I've lost my trust in BTC, but I will revisit it in the next 6 months and maybe buy some spot BTC for the long term, nothing for the short term. For now, I'm sorry, man. I don't trade BTC. I only show gold and whatnot. What happened to my tea, bro? My mom hasn't called me yet. I'm still waiting. Should I enter if it comes to break even? It's up to you. I will be in the trade, but I'd give that decision to you because you'll have more probability of going back to stop loss. It's your own risk, it's your own money, so you can decide. I cannot decide for you guys, but I'll be sitting in the trade. It's up to you. Any tips for beginners? Man, I did. Uh, I did give tips. You can go back. I think 20 minutes before this. I am going to upload a short today. If you're a beginner, please be patient with me because I did go about how to trade when you're a beginner for around 5 minutes. I know a lot of people already heard it. Please do bear with me. You can go back in the live and please rewatch if you don't get offended. Apologies. Check depth before you dive. Trades are not reciprocal. Check depth before you dive. Exactly. This is what suits me, and that's why I'm on a trade. If it doesn't suit you, please do not jump in. Yeah, my best friend is very happy that 90 of you guys are watching. Appreciate it. Means a lot. We are very happy. It was his idea, to be honest. It was my best friend's idea to come live. I was completely against it to begin with. I'm very glad that he suggested it and he pushed me towards it. And today, if I could even help 10 of you guys, with your trading, I'll be very happy. So it's a big shout out to my best friend, man. All right, all right, all right. Morning, bro. Kiran, I know you're a bit late, man, but it's fine, bro. BTC is losing the charm on decentralized currency. Exactly. BTC nowadays doesn't feel like decentralized. It has been taken over by the institution. So, hi, brother. First time in your stream. Sammy, like the positivity here, which is rare to find these days. Sammy, welcome to the stream, man. I'm glad that you like the stream, bro. Thank you so much. Um, you're welcome to join the community in the Discord. And this is how we like to roll in this community. Everything is transparent here. If you guys are new, I have everything for you guys to see. I show my every trade, losses, profits, and whatnot. So welcome. RBA joined Discord. Guys, a lot of you guys are joining on Discord. I will send out personalized welcome to every one of you. But right now, there's too much going on with the chat and whatnot. So let me get back to you on that. All right. A new concept. Which one, Sai? Many people lag with risk management, trade management. Yeah, bro. Sai, I agree, man. I think it moves some more to update because it takes CPR support. Naresh, bro, yeah, it can take a support or it can take us out, bro. I'm not worried. It did go to almost a 1 is to 2.19. Bro, I'm either taking an SL or a TP, but it's up to you guys. What do you want to do? I cannot trade for you guys if you're taking a break even. I cannot stop you from doing it, but I myself am not doing it, okay? All right. Mom knows if you keep the whistle in stuff, my son will appear here. Sarana, bro. Yeah, man. Bro, it's not just the whistle, bro. You know what she does? She taps the ginger on the floor, okay? When she taps it, I'm sitting on the first floor. I'm not on the ground floor. I'm upstairs in my office. So, guys, what you're seeing, this is the upstairs, this is the office. So when she taps that, I can feel that vibration upstairs, man. So that's when I know that she's prepping tea for me. Usually it's my wife, but she's gone out for, I think, a seminar today. So it's my mom today. I'm pretty sure it's my mom doing it. Oh my God. Guys, the chat is popping off. I'm finding it very difficult to keep up. So please don't mind me if I can't answer your questions. I'm getting there. Where was this? I'll give some tips. No gamble, stay with your strategy no matter what. Dave, exactly, bro. Dave Raj, bro. You're right, man. Lag with risk management. Yeah. Hello, bro. Albert. Hi, man. Welcome. If you don't mind, boys, you show last five loss in your chart in pips. I can show it to you live on my chart itself, man. This is not a bulletproof channel, boys. I'll show everything live. I trade live, so this is data that's just sitting here. Okay. Last month we took 14 losses, boys and girls, and we just won four times. But those four times we took monsters, man. We took 1 is to 25, 1 is to 12, and 1 is to 7. Even after losing 14 times, we ended up with $1,400, just risking $50 on this one. And after losing 16 times on the stop and strategy, I only won 9 times. But still, I ended up with $900 in profit. For the total month, we were 9.5% in profit. So I'm not trying to hide anything. This is all there. I'm showing you everything there is to see. This month, I've been getting my ass handed to me. That is also for you guys to see. Look at this. This is all negatives, my brothers. But a couple of 1 is to 3 trades will give me almost $600. That's all there is to see. And see, a 1 is to 4 for a $300. I took a 1 is to 1 break, almost a break even there. And yesterday we took almost $300. So this is how transparent a trader can be. I don't know what else there is to show. So I'm pretty transparent to you guys. I hope you guys understand. I'm not here to fake out anyone. I am a trader with 40% win rate. So if you want to trade with me, if you want to be here, you're more than welcome. If you don't want to execute, you can be here for the vibe. A lot of people are here for the vibes and the community and the positivity. If you want to do that, fine. If you don't like it, that's fine too. I don't mind. You don't have to like everything that you see, but I am pretty transparent for everyone to see. Okay. I want to get that through to you guys. I am in the second phase. I am not a guru here sitting and flashing money and Lambo boys. At least we're not there yet. So it's as simple as I can put it. All right. Oh my God, there's so much going on. Put more videos about future prop firms. Bro, trust me, that is on the pipeline side. I will get it out, bro. Please explain why so long or short because it's confused because you switch. And when I think you should short, you're going long, vice versa. Albert, bro, great question. Guys, I'll get back to the other question. Great question from Albert. Listen, as you guys know, this is the stop hunt zone, right? Let me put that in. Guys, this is very important. It is a great question. Albert is asking, why am I going short when I should be going long from a stop hunt? from a stop hunt zone because there is stop losses sitting there, and why am I going short when it has to be a long, right? Good question, man. Listen, let me zoom in. Okay, guys, when price gets to one of our stop hunt zones, like it did right here, okay, this candle is what broke, right? The next candle was a strong downward closing candle. Albert, what I look for is how price reacts when it gets to one of my zones. Okay, that is all I look for. When I see a strong downward closing candle like this one, like you see on screen, I'm thinking sell. Okay, I want to see how price reacts when it gets to one of my stop and zone. That is all I'm trying to see. So if you're looking for longs, so let's say this green candle that you're seeing on screen right now, bro, if this green candle showed up the next candle after the tapping candle, I'll be on a long. Okay, listen. So if this green candle showed up after the candle that took the stop hunt, I'll be on the longs. And in this case, it was a strong downward closing candle, okay? And hence the short. So it all depends on what the next candle is going to be. The first candle that takes the zone is the important candle to keep stop loss above or below, okay? That's how it works. Above, if you're going on a short, below, if you're going on a long. That is all there is to the first candle. I don't care if it's a body close, if it's a wick close. I do not care about that, okay? All I care is what happens to the next candle. Is it going to close below my zone or is it going to close above with a strong candle? That decides if I'm going to go long or am I going to go short. I hope that's clear by now, okay? If you have any questions, put it down. Great question, man. Great question. Love it. Guys, this is why I want you to learn the stop on strategy because that is all there is to it. Stop on strategy is very simple. It is cut and dry. I'm not holding much back. This is it. I'm doing everything live, okay? This you can do it by self. You can backtest my strategy. You can apply it in any pair you want. This will work, but not the 313 strategy. I've been telling you guys there is a very important confidence to it. Do not backtest 313 because you'll be so pissed. Because 313 pattern happens almost 10 times in a day. If you take 10 trades, bro, you'll lose 9 out of the 10. And even the 10th trade might not work as much, okay? So that's why I suggest learn stop hunt, apply it in your trading. But for 313, I'm the guy for you to call out, okay? I hope that's clear, people. Bro, you did not read my message properly, which you sent earlier. Bro, I'm so sorry, man. I'm so caught up. So many messages today, bro. Sai, just put down the message again, man. Sorry, man. I didn't see that. Again, this place comes again, goes to sell entry, sir. I'm not sure what's going to happen from here on. Price might go to take profit. It might go to entry and then stop loss. It's out of my control. Let's just watch. Guys, I think I need my tea, man. My throat is getting clogged up and it's almost 8 o'clock. I don't know what happened to my mom. God knows. Show again, bro. Just go back in your live stream, man. You'll be able to see it. Inspiring. Sad to see gold at 4,200. It knocked everyone shock. Yeah. But don't worry, man. Bro, if it's meant to be, it'll go to take profit. That's how you gotta be thinking about it. Think about it as you're looking at price after 5 hours, okay? You're not gonna have emotions to it. Guys, this is one of the things that I use, okay? You can use this too. This is a mentality. How do I call this? Um, okay, let me find a word for this. Hack. Okay. This is a psychology hack. Okay. So this is how I think about price when it's moving in life. So I think about how price will look after 5 hours. So after 5 hours from this point, you will know, you'll be looking at it in hindsight. You'll be looking at price in hindsight and you'll know that if it went to TP or stop loss. Okay. At that point, you won't have any emotions. For you, at that point, it's just data. So when you're backtesting, this is what happens, right? So you look at something, it's in hindsight, you're looking at it, it's either when to stop loss or it's going to take profit. So for you, that's another number on the sheet. This is how I look at it. So I look at this after 5 hours. So it's either going to do this, okay? It's either from my entry, it's going to either come back to break even and go back to take profit, or it's either going to go back somewhere here and then take my stop loss. But at the end of the day, it's just a number for me, for my journal, right? It's just a number for the journal. So that's how you're going to be working, looking at it from a psychology standpoint. That will make your psychology much better because for you, after knowing that, after thinking about it like that, for you, it's just a number. So, okay, yeah, I'm getting data for my journal. That's all that matters. Okay. I hope that makes sense. Boys and girls, we've got 80 likes for the stream. Lovely. We're sitting at 421. We've already hit the 420 number. You can call it weed or fraud, but a magic number nonetheless. Means a lot. All right. Thank you for showing your trades. Um, great. MFX, bro. Thanks, man. When are you coming a meetup? Bro, good question. Guys, if you're here, if you're watching this, if you're part of the community, next year, I think we will have a meetup with the community. Okay. I'm thinking Thailand because someone suggested Thailand. All you have to do is fly to Thailand. Okay. I will take care of you guys for 2 days. We're going to have a lot of fun. Food is on me. The stay is on, the resort is on me. So we will plan it. We will execute it. Trust me, I will give out the dates, location, and whatnot. Join the community if you haven't already. We will have some fun. I'm not sure how many of you guys are going to join because having 1,000 people in a resort is going to bleed me dry, but I'll happily do it for you people because at that point, we will be sitting with a lot of money, man. I'll be happy to spend it with you guys. Good question, bro. God. Hi, Sai. Sherry says hi, Sai. He is doing well, man. He does text me every day. Bro, can you show your prop firm journey or breach and passes? Bro, I have. Just because you've asked, I'm going to show that again. What happened to it? Where is it? Oh, sorry. It's right here. Apologies. Accounts. God, I want you to log in again. Boys and girls, this is my journey. This was, I think, a while ago. I did breach the first one. The second one, we passed it. The second 25K account, I did pass it. And right now we are at 1.9%. If this ends up in profit, I'll be almost at 3%. Only 2% more for this to be passing. So this is the second phase of. Why can't I highlight this? There you go. This is the second phase. We just need a 5%. We are at 39% profit target. As you guys can see, I'm pretty straightforward. I'll show you everything I have to show. These are the green days we've had. This is one of the biggest days of my trading career. That's $1,300 on the same day. So as you guys can see, if we take losses, boys and girls, we take it small, 389, 260, 250. But if we are trading, getting good days, it'll be above 300. And we've got above 1,400 in single days. As you guys can see, we are a mixture of reds and greens. That is how trading is done. It's not all green. At least I'm not there yet. I'm pretty sure I'll be in a place where we'll have more greens and red. And once we get there, we will have some good bread. Trust me. So this is me being the most transparent a trader can be. Yeah, boys and girls. All right. Bro, can you show your I did show re-entry. I don't know, man. It's up to you. Hey, Ali, bro. How are you, man? Thank you for joining. I have a fixed uh KQ. Bro, I'm sorry, man. I can't spell your name. Bro, I do have a fixed take profit. It's just a 1:3, bro. For this strategy, it's just fixed. Bro, small suggestion if possible. If you can teach a concept every day, we can when you are free. I mean, you're not in trade, a new concept. Sure, bro. Great idea, Sai. Bro, that's why I take a few questions seriously and I try to teach that. Uh, let it be mindset or let it be psychology. I'm sorry, it's all the same thing. Let it be psychology, risk management, or how I look for entries, and if I'm looking for a sell or a buy. I'll try it, bro. Sai, good suggestion, man. Anil, my brother, good morning, man. Ravi, yeah, bro, something happened to my tree. I don't know what happened to my tree today. My mom haven't called me, and if they do, I'll go downstairs. I hope nothing serious downstairs happened. If that, I would have had a call or a knock on the door. So knock on wood, people. Bro, in your screen, you mentioned ABCD. What is that? Bro, this right here is the amount of pips that we catch. So if you don't know, guys, let me show you. Let's go to Discord. Guys, that's the videos that I'm making. So don't worry about that. Discord is taking forever to load. All right. Holy. Yeah, right here. People in Discord, if you see, I do post my profits, right? So this is the pips that I show. You see, the last trade we got $300 in the last trade, okay? This is the amount of pips the trade ran to, all right? This is the the size of that move, okay? Hold on, I'm just gonna charge my laptop. Okay, so this is the amount of pips that we caught. If you see, these are the amount of pips that I post, okay? This is not something that off the thin air. These are all the pips that we've caught with the trades we have taken in the account, okay? This is the last, so the thing that you see here is the last five, all right? Like you saw right now is 3225 was the most recent, and it keeps going down from there. So I showed you the 745 right now, right? So that's the last five pips that my take profits ran to. All right. My sadness is not in this trade, the general gold price trend. Bro, if you're not in this trade, I am sad for you too, but do not re-enter this one, boys. Thanks for showing your trades for trades. Yeah, man, you're welcome, bro. Guys, I'm transparent. The reason why I started doing live, the reason why my best friend pushed me to do this live right now is because the people that you see online are fake. The majority of the people we have seen online are fake because they'll be taking 100 trades a day just to show a fake green $0 or $1 or $2 just to make that day green. That's not what we do here. We do trades by the rules, by the strategy, and I want to do this most transparent way as possible because people want to sell their courses by being fake. Guys, even if I get a course later on, maybe next month or maybe in the next 6 months, it is going to be based on what I know and pure data. I don't want to be fake. I don't want to be selling fake dreams here. Man, I am is all that you see online. I am that you see on the videos. I'm just an open book. Any question I answer from my goddamn heart and my gut. Okay. So this is why I'm doing the live. That's the reason to be against those fake people that show, you know, fake things for the money that you guys give and the views and the likes to come. Okay. Not here, not me, not this community. We'll do this cut and dry. Even if I'm blowing an account, I'm going to show this to you guys live. Okay. That's all there is to it, people. Boys and girls, we've gone up to 86 likes. This is the most I've had in any session. 92 people are watching. We've gone to 431 subs. Really appreciate it. Baby Doc, a lot of people are joining the Discord. Much appreciated. I will send each and every one of you personalized messages. Please don't get me wrong. There is a lot going on today's live. Good topics being discussed and a good trade that is running. So free message, yeah, man. It will be your bachelor party, bro. Bro, I'm already married, bro. I'm already married. There's no bachelor party. My wife will kill me, man, if she knows that I'm throwing you a bachelor party, bro. No, man. It is just a meetup that we'll plan next year. Again, guys, we're not doing a bachelor party. Hope we in community make profit for that trip under your influence. Jitendra, I hope that for you too, bro. I hope you guys make a lot of profit. I hope you learn this and execute it rather than copying the trades with me because I'd rather have you execute it by yourself by learning it. Guys, I don't want to give you the fish. I want to show you how to fish. So please, you can ask me anything, but the only thing I ask of you is learn the stop on strategy and then execute it. Gold futures up, indicating an uptrend. Let's see, man, if it's an uptrend, fine, but the profit target will not change. Bro, can we, Sahil asking, bro, can we get in touch personally, talk about trading and psychology? Yeah, man, you can text me in Discord. I'm available most of the times there. You can DM me. I'm more than happy to help anyone that I can. But please don't have unimaginable requests because I've been getting requests for me to fund them. Guys, I'm not funded yet, me personally. So please do not ask me for money. Please. Hey, bro. Blessy is here. Hi, Blessy. Thank you for joining. I'm really glad that a lot of you people from my earlier lives are joining. These are guys, Anil, Blessy, Ravi, Sai. You guys are from my initial days of lives. It's just been 15 days, so. But still, thank you. Thank you, Blessy. I'm glad you're here. I can't, I can't able to come to Thailand due to studies. Only patience, bro. I still have a year, man. We haven't planned it yet, so you have plenty of time. We'll figure it out at that point of time. Believer, I don't know what that emoji is. Can you can you explain what that emoji is? Last fifth red. Arvind and I enter again on that last fifth red candle. Did you enter? Ravi, good, bro. So you took a re-entry. So you took a profit and then you re-entered again. Is that what you're saying, bro? Yeah, man. I should take a break from talking, bro. I am exhausted, man. Sahel, bro. It's not about the funds. I want to talk about you as a business partner in Forex. Bro, you can put forward your case, but I will give an answer for you live. I'm not looking for any partners. I already have a couple. I do have a best friend who I trade with. We're not partners in terms of money, but I do have a best friend who does it with me, and I do have a brother who is actually a partner. Um, but yeah, would be interested to see what you're gonna say, man. And guys, for those of you guys joined, guys, Coin DCX um, has has reached out to me for a partnership. Let me know what you guys think, man. They want to do ads with me. They want me to do their ads for them. I thought it was I thought it was a different request because we do not trade crypto here. I don't know what they're thinking. So they might call me today for a collab. Let's see what happens. Yes, buddy. Bro, Adam, I'm so sorry, man. If someone could translate that for me, I'm so sorry. I am a Tamilian. I'm sorry to say this. I cannot read and write Tamil because I went to a central government school which did not have Tamil in their curriculum. I apologize, man. I am not able to understand what you're saying. Guys, I don't think I'll be going up for tea today, man. I'm pissed, but it is what it is. I think they forgot about the tea. Guys, we've got 92 likes. Love it. We just need 64 subs to get to 500, which will mean that we are 50% of the way to being monetized. That's amazing. You can take it up, bro. It's a good opportunity for you and your future and for us as well as an influencer. Sahil, bro, but this is what I want to do, right? So if I get to a place where, for example, let's say if I get to a place where 10,000 people are following me, okay, which we will get eventually, okay. I don't want to be someone who pushes out ads and content that I don't believe in. Okay, this is my core beliefs. All right, it's not that I don't believe coin CX. Don't get me wrong. It's just the fact that I don't do it myself, and I don't want to push out content or products that I don't myself try it. Okay, um, I'm okay to do things that I do try. So if I trade with funding pips, I'm 100% okay in giving ads for them because that's something that I do myself, and I feel confident to tell my um, the people in my community to go and use, right? So that I understand, but not things that I don't use myself. So let's see, man. I'll have the call today to just know what's what, and let's see if I do decide to do something about it, guys. One of my headsets is out of charge, so I've put it in charge. I'm not sure if you can hear me well with this one on the left. Can you tell me if the audio is the same or if I need to just take it off completely and then come with my original audio? Which central school did you study, Arvindan? William, bro, I went to Kendra Vidyalaya. So I'm not sure if you guys know it's the central government school. That's Kendra Vidyalaya. Ravi, I'm glad you took a re-entry, man. I'm pretty sure you're in profits. I'm happy for you, bro. I'm not. It's not a good idea to have advertisements while you live stream, bro. This is not an ad by any means. This is just me discussing what's happening with me. So, not an ad, boys and girls. Sure, if the audio is good, bro, thank you. Because one of my AirPods has died for some reason, but my left AirPod it's good still. Thank you, Selvam, bro. Thank you, man. Guys, for your sakes, I hope this goes to TP because it'll be fun to watch it. We have taken this live, but it's just playing with us at this point. And guys, this is just the first trade for today. I do have three more trades which I can take if I get entries even after this. So let's see. Where is the volume? What do you mean? Silky? You can't hear me? They offered to him as main face for their ad on TV. Yeah, bro. They, yeah, Ravi is exactly right. So they reached out to me to do a promotion for them. I think they're getting promoted right now. That's not what my planning was. Yeah, so they wanted a 360 collab. Let's see. I'm going to talk to them and see what happens. Ravi, my celebrity brother Arvind. Not yet, at least, Ravi, bro. Uh, maybe someday. Um, bro, trust me, if we do the right things, we will get to that place. But I was very against it. Even now, I'm very against being in the spotlight. I know eventually I will get there because I need this income stream. That's that, and I started to love this because initially I didn't want to do this, but I don't want to show my face, and hence the videos earlier in the channel I didn't show my face, right? Because I love my what do you say? what do you call it? Um, Hold on, I'm having a brain freeze. I love my personal space. I don't want to be known on public. Trust me. I just want to be a random guy on the street. Yeah, being famous is nice, but imagine the celebrities what they go through, man. They can't have a meal at peace, bro. Yeah, privacy, exactly, bro. I love my privacy, man. But I'll let the universe decide what it's been written for me. But I'll keep doing what I'm doing because I know a lot of people need someone who's transparent, someone who's not fake. That's the whole purpose of this. I will give that to you guys. Regardless of where I get in trading, if I get $1 million in funding, you guys will know because I'm going to show it to you. If I blow this account, you guys will know because I'm going to show it to you. That is what I want to do. But let's keep the future in the future for now. Let's focus on what's happening right in front of us, which is sitting at 1:1. Market volume, yeah, it sucks. And I am losing my voice much earlier today because I didn't have my tea or my break. And this is done. We're going to part two. Midzi, what happened, bro? You became silent, man. What happened? Are you still here, bro? I'm waiting to see if he is. I'm then go and check, take a break. Nah, bro, I'll see this the whole way. Um, I don't know what happened, but it's fine, bro. I'm here. I'll do this. If you guys got any questions, I'm here to answer. So let's just finish this. Let's just go the distance today. 3 hours and 15 minutes of doing this. Uh, your biggest, your biggest profit was, bro, somewhere around $1,900, risking 50. That has been the biggest profit so far in the two accounts. Hi, bro. I just took a Funding Pips account. Amazing, man. Good for you, bro. Great firm. I've seen a lot of people take profit from that. Blessy, thank you. Yeah, I need a lot of water. Trust me, I'm losing my voice. I'm not sure if you can hear the difference. Thank you. Thank you for saying that. Yeah, I am losing my voice. Guys, I think I'm finally doing something that I'm good at because I am good at communicating. I've been really good at it at my job when I was in my corporate job. Um, so I think I'm in my element. Maybe your mom and wife enjoying their me time. Yo, it's hilarious. Yeah, bro. Probably they are enjoying their me time, man. Without me, bro. My wife, Ravi, has she's gone out. I think she has a seminar today. She's gone out for that seminar. She's having fun. I'm pretty sure about that. My mom, she definitely loves being without me because I keep picking fight with her, man. Yeah, she'll miss me when I'm not there, but she'll hate me when I'm there, bro. I think that's the problem of our extrovert sons, right? Do you have any team to handle your social media or Discord or any other things that as such? Can I be a part of your team? Sahel, bro, would love to take on people, but for now, Sahel, bro, um, it's just me doing it. Eventually, I will need people. Um, really love the offer. Will hit you up if I do, but for now, it's just me. and my best friend who's doing it. We will keep doing this, and I'll eventually reach out, man. Connect with me in Discord, bro. I won't forget, man. Thank you. I really appreciate it, bro. I want to have a future in Forex, so please let me know. Bro, I will, bro. Trust me, we will do this long term. I have a lot of plans. People who are watching this, um, I have plans to take this to $2 million in funding, having my own company, trading with my own capital, employing at least 100 people to trade with me, having them in contract. So I have a lot of plans, people. This is just the beginning of it. This is just me documenting it. I'm not trying to boast in any way. This is where I want to be. Guys, this might take 10, 15, 20 years. So those are goals, right? Um, so you work towards them. Gold stuck in range now. Yeah, bro. It's kind of ranging at this point. But Ravi, trust me, bro. I've taken profits with this strategy after 12 hours. Believe it or not, 12 hours I've sat for a 1:3 to hit, bro. Yeah, I didn't get taken out. After 12 hours, a setup like this got me to my take profit. That's why I wait for a 1:3. That's why I don't put break evens. If I'm not wrong, that trade came to break even twice and then went to the take profit of 1:3 after 12 hours. So that's why we wait. Bro, any suggestions if you have to use stop and strategy for MNQ during new uptime? Silverline trader, bro, I'd suggest you to backtest. Backtest the strategy for a couple of years. Do it and see if it works. Okay. If it does work, apply it. You're more than welcome to do it. Because for me, why I don't do it in New York, because when I backtested it, there's a lot of news that comes out, right? When sometimes the Trump, that guy is unpredictable. He'll just come out and say something and the the market will go against you suddenly. That's what I wanna avoid doing. And hence, but if you ask me, I'd suggest you to backtest. Ravi, 100%, 100%. And trust me, I'd love to learn your strategy, bro. Yo, it goes both ways, you know. You can learn from me, and I'd love to learn from you, Ravi. And I'd love to have you in my team, man. You look like a very positive guy. Trust me. What's your good name, bro? My name is Arvind. It's actually Arvindan Rangaswamy. That's my full name, but you guys can call me Arvind. Okay? One of your 100. Bro, you'll be in the top five, man. Trust me, you'll be in the top five. Yeah, I know you're trading Nasdaq mainly, but I'd love to learn, bro. Guys, at the end of the day, it's all money. It's all P&L. So if you can provide link for funding pips, thanks. I've never done this, but I can check. Dashinta, hi in Discord. I can find a funding pips link. Let me see. I'm not sure how to do this. I've never done this. Affiliate, right? So what now? Oh, there you go. Is this it? Let me. Yeah, I'm just going to go to live engine. You're gonna see yourself in the live today. Oh shoot, that's a different one. Right here. There you go. Sorry that you had to see me twice. I just wanted to do it at the same moment. So that's the link. I've never done this, so I didn't know how to do it. Let me close that. Mark my name to Sendil. Hey, hi. Yeah, I will remember you, Sendil. Yeah, I'll also keep you in my team, man. Don't worry. Do you trade Bitcoin? Believer, I used to, man. Trust me, I started my journey with Bitcoin. That is where I made most of my money in trading, to be honest, tens of thousands of dollars, and then got got whacked pretty badly. And I realized that it's very unpredictable, and I wanted to do something that is dependable, like gold. It moves in a systematic way. If Bitcoin can be manipulated very badly, I'm not saying gold can't be, but much better when it comes to day-to-day movements, right? So I switched over. Guys, we've got 97 likes, three more. This is the first time ever we might hit a three-digit likes on the stream. Would be lovely to see that. I do. Midzi, bro, thank you for welcoming the people on Discord. You'll definitely be in my team too, if you'd like. One quick question. The trade today is sell. Can you explain the confirmation signal for the sell? I'd love to, but I've done it four times. I think 81 people are here. They'll be pissed at this point. But I will put a video and I will tag you in RDA. Trust me, I will put a video today and I'll send it to you for today's entry. Okay. Still logged in, bro. No, Mitzi, man. I can see, bro. I see, man. I appreciate it, bro. When I'm in the UK, man, I'm gonna hit you up, bro. We're gonna meet. We're gonna shoot some shit, man. Trust me. Got it. Got it with your referral code. Thank you so much. I am not sure what's gonna happen at this point. Lizzie, thanks a lot. Thank you. I don't know. I don't know exactly how this works. I've never done this, as told you guys. I don't know what will change here. Right now, it's not changing much, but it will, I think, if you did. So, Lizzie, thank you. Appreciate it. If you need a mod or anything on Discord, let me know. I have experience with Discord. Bro, I do, because I need to increase my security, man. I do have spammers coming in, trying to scam the people in Discord. So if you'd suggest anything, bro, Mitzi, text me, DM me, bro. Let's talk about that, man. Because I haven't used Discord much. I'd be more than happy to get help from you, man. What is your biggest loss, bro? Wow. At once, I'm not sure if I can say this live because my family could be watching this. But my biggest loss came in Bitcoin was, I think, 8,000 bucks. I know it hurts. It did hurt me, bro. Yeah. Please don't tell my family, man. Have a break, have a Kit Kat. Bro, guys, we are having ads for Kit Kat now. Got your explanation already. Thank you. Appreciate it. Love it. Mitzi, thanks, bro. Yeah, would love to connect with you separately, man, and privately. If a person has a 10K and 25K account, so how can he manage like psychology and practically? Okay, good question. So if you have two accounts, one 10 and one 25K, just have a system to it. Okay. When you have multiple accounts, make sure that you risk for each account separately. So risk the same amount of risk, but on different accounts. So what I'm trying to say is if you have 25K account, risk 0.4% and only risk 0.4% for the 10K account. Do not take the same lot sizes on both the accounts because one will become much bigger for the 10K, okay? Risk them separately. If you can't enter at the same time, try putting alternate trades on them. Please do not try all the trade copiers because not all the trade copiers work. People, you will be, your account will be taken off. You will breach your rules. Not every prop firm allows you to have different copiers. So be very mindful of that. If you're using a copier, make sure that they allow it. If you're going to copy that, if it's inbuilt into prop firms like Apex, you can copy 20 accounts at the same time. If it's inbuilt, it's fine. So make sure that it's in there. Okay. Um, Risk accordingly. Make sure you don't break your rules. That's what I would suggest. And as far as the trading goes, you'll be good if you have a good risk to reward. Only patience. Like now, I realize why you hate BTC, bro. Trust me, man. I was manipulated out of my position. That was the worst part about that experience because the position was good, the trade was good, but I was absolutely manipulated because who was it? Elon Musk said something that day, man. Musk said something, and the market just went tanked, bro. I was so furious at that point because losing that kind of money because of a manipulation is not acceptable when it comes to me, man. Bro, $8,000 in USD, $8,000, 8,000 in INR is it's fractions, bro. That I lose very easily. What is your biggest profit? Only patience. Biggest profits in a single trade. Yeah, it's different, right? With BTC, it was very different because it was somewhere between. My biggest was around 4 to 5K. But if you see on the account, it'll be much bigger. It was again, guys, very confidential. Don't tell my family, okay? Hi, says Silver. Today go up 6. Oh, silver moved. That's nice, man. But gold hasn't moved an inch. Okay, thank you. Sorry if I asked a lot of things, but you explained so perfectly and understandable. Don't worry, you don't have to apologize. I love the questions. I love you. I love when you guys interact with me. So don't worry about it. Fire away. Can we keep sell limit? Absolutely, Brian. You can. Oh, hold on. For the entry, that's up to you, bro. Sahil, do I prefer tea or coffee? I prefer neither. To be honest, I don't drink milk, so I don't do milk on either of those. The only reason why I drink tea is because I get to spend time with my family. So we have a tea time just for us to spend some time together in the morning as well as in the evening. So right now it's my mom, dad, my wife, and myself. We sit together, we talk, we have fun, we chat. I have a beautiful backyard as well as a portico, which in my property we sit. We just have a little family time. Other than that, I'm not too thrilled about tea or coffee. It's just a family time activity for me. Yeah. How do you pass Funding Pips challenge with 6 days? Bro, if you find that out, let me know. Because it's been almost 2 months and I'm in the second step. So if you find a strategy that you can pass in 6 days, hit me up in DM, man. Would love to hear from you. I'm just kidding, bro. Now I only do XAUUSD Forex. Nice, bro. Oh, Ali said something else too. Oh, hold on. I missed a few questions. Yeah, I only trade Asia sessions. Ali lost $18,000 in USD in crypto. 2 seconds of silence for you, man. I'm sorry that happened to you, bro. Okay. Wait. What your suggestion? Bro, I'm sorry. I didn't catch for what, bro. What do you want my suggestion for? Guys, too many messages popping off all over the place. Hold on. Sai, bro. Hold on, man. I think Sai sent me a reel in Insta, man. I thought you were going to ask me something privately. It's hilarious. Bro, I'll watch that reel, man. Don't worry. Can you have a full room tour or a house tour of yours? Sahel, I'll definitely do that. Not today, not now. It's just a simple room, boys and girls. I will do it. Trust me, I'm kind of exhausted for today. I still have 15 minutes for this live session. Hopefully, Price will do something before it. so that we will have closure for today. But this will be live, people. I will let it run until TP or stop loss. So I'll definitely keep that in mind. Mine is a small house, but I do have my mom has plants, and I do have a lake behind my house. I will have a video for you, man. Don't worry. Okay, by the way, how to improve mindset? Like stick the right or attack, bro. I have talked about it quite a bit today, but the only thing I'd suggest for your question is that keep doing it, bro. Keep doing it day in and day out, because after a couple of years, you'll get used to it. You won't be scared to take stop loss, and you won't be too happy to take profit, because after a couple of years, your brain will be thinking as is it's just a number. So the only thing that'll help you people with your psychology is time, and keep practicing it with perfect rules. Okay, Arun, I know I can't. Yeah, Arun, I'm I am exhausted. But man, a lot of people are here. They're asking good questions. I want to encourage that. I know I am struggling, but I'm not someone who'll quit because I'm hurt, or I'm low in energy, or I'm not. I see things through, so I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna complete this. Sendil, bro, you can teach. You can reach me out in Discord or Insta, man, whichever works for you. Well, bro, I don't know how communication that much, because I'm too young. So past, don't take my word me seriously, because kids can do some mistakes. Don't worry, man. I won't take you seriously, bro. Um, Arun again is like, don't speak. Bro, suggest me a funded firm with easy rules. So funding pips, I think, is the best firm, and try it out. Why don't I change PNL? The PNL was for last month, bro. This month PNL is still coming, so it's still loading, right? So I'll change it once it's done. All right, boys and girls, we've got 105 likes. Love it. It's the first time we've hit that mark. Muchas gracias. Very happy today. As you guys can see, it does take a lot to do a 3.5 year live stream. Sorry, 3.5 hour live stream. Really appreciate it. Guys, we've hit 445 subs. I'm just out of words. We started today at 352. We're at 445. Almost 100 subs today alone. Lovely. Very happy. Can we do news trades in Funny Pips? I'm not sure. You'll have to check it out. I don't know if you can trade news with Funny Pips. Do check it out. Do let me know. Like actually last year in Jan month, bro, attack, bro. I'm sorry you did lose a lot of money, man. $15K is quite a bit of money. Yeah, bro. A lot of people did too. So don't worry, man. But the only important thing is this, people. It's not. It's okay to lose money. If you've lost money in Bitcoin, I'm not saying it's completely okay, but it's fine. But the only thing that matters is you've not quit trading. You're still trying. You've just changed strategies. Okay. So it's very good that you're still here. You're still trying. Trading will work. You just have to find the right strategy and keep applying it and keep getting better with your psychology. Because at the end of the day, you are going to make money after a few years. But initially, you will not. You'll have to accept that fact and keep working towards it. So, Hitek, my advice for you, bro, is to keep doing it. You will figure it out. You will make money, but do not revenge trade, bro. Do not trade with the mindset of making that money back. You will eventually, but don't have that in your mind, okay? Bro, I'm not sure, bro. Ali, you'll have to figure that out one man. You're talking about on-screen P&L? Bro, I can show it, man. It's not a big thing, okay? But the only issue with that is people prefer watching TradingView because look, it is running, boys. As I told you guys, I don't have anything to fake here, man. There is a position running. This is the P&L. Look, right now it's running at 100 pips, sorry, 1,000 pips, almost $89 profit. So it's all there, but I'd rather show you guys this because it's much easier to maintain. Um, and a lot of people are used to TradingView, right? That's why I show this. Okay. I hope that makes sense. 100 views growing. Sound effects. Yeah, bro. We're getting a lot of views, man. I started with two people sitting there. Um, 15 days ago, it was just me and my best friend, me talking and him listening. Right now, there's 76 of you here right now. And this is the most successful stream so far. We've had 107 likes. And also, let me check. We're at 448 subs. We're almost to 100 subs in one stream. So, most successful stream so far. Thank you for everyone who's here. Guys, I'll be here for another 8 minutes. If you have any questions, you can shoot between that window. But after that, I'll be going about my day. I started my journey from 2023 and started learning at December 2023, haha, in India. Indian market. So basically, I'm not give up because I already lose so much now. So why now quit? I didn't, but I'm missing my old self. It's like, bro. Yeah, man, you're right, bro. You've already lost so much. And what's the point in quitting, man? Why do you quit after going through such a hard phase, right? You are going through hell. Why do you want to stop walking? You're already walking through it. So you are inside of it. Try getting out of it. Keep walking ahead, man. There will be an end point to hell, bro. At some point, it will say end. And then I think then comes heaven, which is the prophet. So you're doing good, man. I have 25,000 USD funded pips account. How much risk per trade for daily is enough? Well, the best. So if you have a 25K account, what I would suggest, what I do personally is I risk 0.4% of the account size. For me, for this strategy, for the stop hunt, that means $100 per trade. So for this trade, I've risked $100. But if I'm trading my 3-on-3 strategy, I only risk 0.2% of the account size, which is $50. So that is my risk. But what I would suggest is please do not risk more than 1% of the account size because that's how people get stuck on, the loop of blowing accounts until you figure it out, risk less and have more knowledge from the markets. When you hear you have 10 views, but now great growing, brother. Yeah, man. I know, bro. I remember when you almost sent your first messages. Um, I'll never forget you, bro. Yeah, yeah. I just had 10 views in the beginning. I just had 2 views in the beginning, to be honest. I'm glad that you're here since then, man. Thank you. I'm glad that you understand why a lot of people lose money, man. Yeah. The easiest way to lose money in life is to trade. the quickest way, to be honest, is to do that. I'd strongly suggest the best way not to do that is patience, practice, then discipline, boys. That is all I gotta say. I'm your 125 subscriber, and now you have 500. Wow, great journey, brother. Yeah, man, I know. 125 sub. Wow, bro. Yo, when we get to 1,000, I want to see your text, man. We're almost to 500 subs, which is amazing. Thank you for sticking with me. I know a lot of people are still here with me who's since I started. I know Anil. I saw Anil initially when Shaz was someone who was initially was with me in the first stream itself when I only had two or three people sitting there. So I really appreciate you guys, bro. I'll never forget you people, man. Who trade with easy, calm mind without fear, like people excited fear. But mine old self is not fear. Of that is simply follow levels. But currently, I'm thinking too much like crazy hype. Attack, people usually do the opposite, bro. Usually, when they get into trading, they're very fearful and they're very excited when price goes in their way. But you're saying you're the opposite, bro. Don't do it, Matt. I'm doing good, bro. How are you? Thank you so much for joining, man. I'm almost to the end of the stream, bro. I still have 4 more minutes, man. But you're here. Thank you. Is the entry made an hour ago still on? Yeah, yep. The entry was at 6:15. I've already entered. Once I entered, I don't care about the time. I let it run to either take profit or a stop loss. So I don't care about the time. So guys, we just have 3 minutes left. So I'm gonna start my ending remarks because I do have quite a bit to say. Guys, 75 of you are still here. I appreciate each and every one of you. You guys make this a success because we've had 100 likes today. Thank you. I cannot mention each and every one of you individually, so please don't take me wrong. Really appreciate it. I love trading with you people. Love the conversations. I will be putting out a lot of shots from here on. I'm gonna chop um, the the live trades and then put it into shots. So I might mention you people. So in the shots too, heads up for that. Um, yeah, Ravi, thank you so much, man. Hatak, bro. Yeah, yeah, man. I'm kind of, bro. I'm so sorry. I'm kind of drained for today. Um, no more advice from my side at this point. Still have 2 minutes, but get this, we are doing good in the account as well as in YouTube. Thanks to you guys, appreciate it. If you still have this trade open, what I would suggest is take it till the end. You take a stop loss or a take profit. The reason why I say is that the more you practice, the more better your psychology will become. That's why I do it. That's why I don't take break evens. So practice to see the things through that you start in life and in trading. So very practical. Let's apply it. And for the scamming out there, I just put a beep there. Please do not try to scam my people. They won't be scammed, man. I would I would find a way to stop you people. Trust me, I'm trying to build something good here. Please do not ruin it. That's a request. Um, and for whoever is watching, 70 of you are here. Do not give your money to anyone else. I will not text you. Do not get scammed. I've seen a lot of communities get obliterated because these people go in and scam them for their money. If you're watching this, for fuck's sake, yeah, I swear, for fuck's sake, don't give your money. I'm sorry for using that word, but please do not do it. Okay, this is a request for you people. Um, Mitzi, thank you, man. I'm glad you enjoyed. You look like the class leader type in school. Trust me, I was the opposite. I was the last bencher. I was the one who the class leader would write on the board the name. But I'm not that guy. Yeah, I was one of the worst students in school, but I've gotten much better. Edu, yeah, I saw your message in Discord. Thank you. Iman, you're late, but thank you for joining. I'm from Chennai. Guys, it's time for me to bugger off. Sherry, thank you, man. Appreciate it, bro. Always really encouraging and good words from you, man. Really appreciate it, bro. We'll catch up tomorrow, people. I'm going to let this run. This is me signing off. Thank you so much for spending your time with me. I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. Hit me up in Discord. I'm always available. Means a lot. I am going to send you the replies and the welcome messages. Heads up on that. Thank you for watching, people.